truma e matru eye fe say wo pe eye wig bi na do be hye witiri so say human hair and synthetic wigs ye woni nyina bi wo pese ye di oil fa wo tree nim na ye siesie tree nim na nwina nkasa no eye kama wo na mo bi on say yes ye treat etiri wi ankasa. Don't worry, come to us. Say a multi amount superior hair and beauty supply. We do all. 0242449977 0555568100. We be on superior hair and beauty supply. Our mahina bo send mo dwuna se. Ye ben adom co store. Anopai omunyina aboa and a judgment bro. But before I go on to the phone lines, Mr. Ka, good morning.
Morning, cousin.
Let's say.
Nyame adom na so.
Adom. Anopai ma yentio ewo kakra ye di ho nkomo yi.
Kwesi me da se na meche atifo a omutie. Ewo se yo so konkon so regional capital and achichiri bench na ahwefo so mo hwe live on Facebook and all the social media handles. Ya do mase na woni yura a different point din komo as educationist no so e de na adwenkyira ba fa enei ye curriculum ye sensema BPM awo hono mu a LGBTQI+ omo nema bi wo mu a eno no akoya de se Ghana for do no a eni enye ho a ye ka ho asem and ko se ha adwen kakra say de minim kakra ne se wa setani abrabo mu no anya oba ebe ma say na minim se obo ade na body mu no free fit ase na bepim ne obo no wo de kan bo be ma achi no obo oba enti oba agina ne baabi na be ma so agina ne baabi be ma ene oba ne tu anamon wo dokon aso na nye eye be ma ene be ma ene tu anamon odokon asense nipa no ene ne kompam akoda sa na mpese mechiri ene nya oba so no oba ene wo se omudi do wo mpam ewo sa akwa no so enye sa na nyame hyehye no tie bare ne no ekame akwa se obi a so de no ho nti nipa no okoduru ba bia wo se ne yemepe ena meye eno so yade a emwa sa ne meye koso elsewhere okọ the Europe countries num dia koso akọ amane bi so amadeje to but as Africans Ghana for so ye before na ye wo ye values ye wo ye tradition no kwanse ye masa ne mawi no ebe ruwura ya mamre emukra ene yasetremu enenti de akoso ne de entwaye and nakafo ma amwayen because say ye de ye ngumasua ehun hyehyɛ fa bi sa ahyamosa say books ahodo de be kyerɛ nkoda na de both government and private no munhwem na books obeba montene so nya de kyerɛ nkora na de mfa so obeba na books a aba montene so niema wi na hyehyɛ ma de be kyerɛ nkoda na de a ene na no odin nse no ewura a different podcast me say na social media niema bia na nam so a branch bi ne ababa wa bi omudi do ne na de ade a so nti enkoda no kora no for now no a niema bi kora no ye nkyerɛ wo mo ankasa ye niema bi a ano odin enti say ye de we be kyerɛ nkoda na de saa biri mu a na je say enu bra omo benyinye no omu nim dada nti ebeduru ho no obenyina duru ba bi no be ma be ka say ompe oba bi ope be ma oba so be ka say ompe oba be ma bi ope oba ho do obi so be kyerɛ say ope so wo ye ne ho so we dua ope so wo ye ne say wo ye jata sebo ope so wo ye ne say wo ye kraman saa ne ma ne de emwa yen kwati ene Donald Trump na ni bra bre bebrebe ya opam omo matu kwa ba ne mamu no kwase nya hweu de etachire nyina ne se wo kwa America no omo ngo we se wo ye sebo we se wo ye jata ena mai ware ma na me ma ware ma na be ma ware be ma obedan wo oba ware oba ontime ngo na wo se wo ye jata yi jata be na wo konya ne na ne na wo jata no wo kofa bi we na ne na wo
na so wo jata ba wa
what would you
Harry, good morning.
Okay. What would you? Because this is America for no. Omo tu kwa America no. Ahoko no ya do so asene. America for no. Na Donald Trump ho na ni abiri no wo won ko foti ko abibifo enye abibifo kwa na wo pam mu wo pam abrofo ni nyina bi so yeden e ka ho ejesi etena ho na se ye masa de wi ebeje hini wo Ghana ha se aferi ye nwomesua kora na eno no ene wo man ni nyina so no so ye sa be kire nkoda na sa ne ma wi a kozi ene na ye tetambom so ena won se ye abibifo no pode ye sua tra kora o ye esuba no pode sa ne ma wi be di nkoda ni mu a omo besua tra abrofo kora de omo ye no Ghana ye nim social media hwe wo kwa bucha de abrofo di ye na hwe ye de ye wa basa enti in fact enema akoso ne de nyamianim ankoyi onna kwasi wo bisa iwura ne se e ka ne sei obi beka se NPP for na print first year no na NDC for na be print second year nya ne hia yen nya ho ne ye hwe first year o second year ye de second year ne ye hunu se BBC e wo books enti eno ho na mo ne wo se hwe ne etu and education kwasi se de koye politics NPP NDC a emwaye yo saade we efri na nkate penso ya emfafa so bia mre o man ena ye tokoso ne ye emwaye we kwasi wo hwe mre bia ye no bi ne ye go school runners time no o kwasi na wo school ye che book o ye che exercise book ne ya sa che o pen bia fe na ban bu ofu enti school na wo kɔ no wo nto pen book ye de ma ho free textbooks ye nto but ene me nyini se tesa ene me nyini se aban no che edition for pen no a cho me Facebook no a cho me textbook akoto wade pen wo beto wade Facebook wo beto wade ohu na ka mre bi ato no na se omamu ye education development plan bi to se bia 20 years edi yanimi 30 years edi yanimi 40 years edi yanimi se na yeko ban be kwa ba wo ba wontimi fa won sa meka educational system na kwazin ke nuru baby e ke nuru baby because wo share there owura runners be nyame fa ne kranse yi kofo ba ye no so curriculum ya system wono so free so okwa ankata nyame fa ne kranse wono so ba ya system o man panye John Dramani Mahama ba ya system na ku fa ba ya system dia na ye nkwa ye gide education no na ye no preto sa emoyen onti mesre say yema yeni nko ye nwomasuan ho yi stakeholders obia ne ho ebom mu wo nwomasuan say nwomasuan be fa ne ntoma pafira na akonkan na agina ye no ye nyina ye fie ho enhyem na yema yeni nko ye nwomasuan because education is the key to national development and they say ye man yema bi say ebe ruruwa ma emoyen akwase me kai sem bi na ye moral religious and moral education o ma ye firi ho sa ne yema na ebe boan ye no ma ye ato atwere nye obibi a friend cultural studies ye bibi a friend social studies ni nyina o ma yi ato atwene baby won na nema ye de beche values am ye hu se ye bibi for ye Ghana for me kai say religious and moral education o na kire nema bibiri efa ye hu as Ghanaians o ma ye ato atwene baby cultural studies say na kire ho na be se kondum festival aboakire festival we na kire nema bibiri no so ye yato ye ade e be boa ye ne de ye free curriculum nim enenya ya because abrabo ya waso o man Ghana ye bɔ no sebi ye nhwe mo ne yi enti eni kapre book kura no a ye betwa man kura sua no ade se ebi mu fira mo no ne na omudo mu sika eba ede se be ne pa ne di ne sika eba no ne je sa LBT hwan KO plus ne na ade ade ho di ne sika ebe bo ase tro books no ono so won interest o ono so won interest ede se me de me sika ma ase tro book na fa we hyem ede kwase kwamba so na fa ya sa ade ne be share book no nti na kafo omo hunu omo be ka se omo hu a enya no kure na omo be ka se teacher manual ena so ya ntumu teacher manual zan na nya teacher manual na teacher ne de kwa kira kra na de teacher manual enya teacher manual ni mu na teacher na hwe de akwa kire akra na de enti nema bi ekwaso ne de in fact is about hard time I was on my room no yetimi hwe tutu ya nema yi na de bia ye kwaji sika fra ma no ne no eno na epira no ene na ekunya no because ya nkasa ya so ya dwebo ena ya ye wo sika ye de finance education books for ye twa ne bibia be den obi decide we aba be wuram enti ene kwanse ye ma ho kwan ema enema bi atesa no ekoso wo ye nwomasuan ne because ensam no doso se wutie commentaries eba ene wona abin wo nwomasuan ensam wo mo kan kwase na chese ye nyina ye ye nyina ye kura and enya de ya beboa ye nwoma so ye mo ye ne nko ho na ye hwe ne yi na o man ye nchechire o man ne yi se camera o man nim na ya nkasa ye ntimi fa sika ne o man nim no entwetwe boost ne nya se boost so aye no so ye trend just ye san ko pesika fra mo no ne betwere na nipa no so de ne je ho ene sabi oba ne be man na be man na oba na me ya adwe me ye motia me ye kwadu me ye bofre ono de ne je ho no ena wo akoji sika won ho enti wo akoji sika won no make sure say sa me ye kwadu me ye bofre me nyini pa biem be man na oba na no oso fashim enti fashim no wontimi nya ne direct we o mu wi o mo ho nwa no mo de be wura mu sa nya reverend ntim fodwo ene be ya asemi pia kwesi wate wansem
sa asem wo ho
wate wansem abapen eno ye kan ho asem na ekosi sen
na yira e
enye na biem asan bai enti ade abapen Ghana for se ye ni nye ho de ne san ba the second time on say education minister ka say on won fanya politics o ka so de politics o be ka say enye ne pen so yi ene bai
yes
but o kan say wodi ka ewo ho ba mene ne nya adwen
but on say enye ne pen so yi ena eba ya sesi hwan pen so ena eba let me see, is it in Tim Fojo or something?
Yeah.
Yes, Reverend in Tim Fojo. He was saying, say, the first year printing was done by the MPP.
Yeah.
The second year, anumuna sa adiwi ewo. And also NDC na and also AS printing no.
Yeah.
But here we are, the minister is saying, say, unim hoshe na enye ne pen so.
Every na minister no ye power so ye minister for education this year
last year
today asem no kan last year ye power say minister of education and who post you abepem this year and reverend team for George chire mu say ade no kura no ye de no idika print first na we nim mom de am printing na we wum enti kwasi say nya say reverend abebi ye ne ho a enka we de na mo ade ya chen kwana
when NDC was in opposition about so buy no 2019 2020 that way so now it's the same thing
o man kan ho asem Ghana for kan ho asem
ye kan yes mpe
yes enti we no
I remember even prior to the 2024 general election bibi say sign by you
kwasi amwa yen won say sika na de bia bosian bo na ye kwaje disika wa ene na ipra no
de ya na wo mu adoje wo mu
mo be abeshem
until time am penning 40 ho na mo yes an man na it will not be made known
yes
but wo mo dey call printing house
no obi dia kwashem enti obi sam penning for be ka say da bi we dey tema ye suesu adwene na nka ho e ba ne say na final a product ne ba ade we shem enti utumi say yabo obi pass onye sa ade no enti e was am yani da ho because cause distance no emwaye ye before no the way Suban City and Ghana for the way Suban City ye dey isu atra ne dey and then across am na making and he said ye dey sa ne ma we nyina no be hyehyɛ ye books um say ye mfa nkyerɛ nkora de a ene aboro so nkora no nyema mo bɛye ye no ebe serious ebe serious nti SSC ano omo so omo redraw books no nyina and the sa aka no say print the kwaso mo tua ho ka wo and ya redraw no sa aka no hwan ka
your mind ka but the ban sanso de na cost financial loss they still just as na from year different can
and the financial loss you fa won tansa mo hwan
financial loss no
you fa won tansa mo
anya wo hoi
he for mo naka for na
na naka for na hwan ye fa mo no ye fa mo me
so man ni due diligence
yes
mo ni ana ho
yes
mo nya botre wo man we mu because ye de adwuma sha wosasa no a na nyeme bo no na wo so wahwehwem na waye no ye because we say no say enye say reverend team fodwo ebe kan ho asemi ya kwasi sen ko record wahu
okay
ha dream
Mr. There is this issue of shortage of sacks. I mean, jute sacks. I want to say, Ghana Hanan saying, pa. Na, I remember, say COCOBOT. Am I in a way? So, what my import to a massive surplus? Ye say jute sack there. But how come? said this shortage ma yene yedua bema Jerome eni nkomo Sam Jerome kasamafo ema kokobod Jerome good morning so what yen kana pe ye bisa o sa jute sack shortage ehonsem eti saying pa
ma me friendship ma wo na me fama wo ti na me fama official pa
afi committee
kokro phone wo kasamati fe wo se kokobod ye be kan say jute sack today ya import degree crown pona na se be ka for ehun him asam na kan no clear because ya kan intino ebeye wala pa say ebitini aka say jute sacks enye den emi ho intino meka efisudia ema eye yekoko fiafo and all the stakeholders are the cocoa industry no actually say cocoa bottle and I jute sacks no ebi wo ho bebrebe and sebeka for ya say banchenya eja na ebekire LBC na omoto cocoa no ma omumma abontin enkomeka say jute sacks in shortage ewo ho but ne tiene say jute sacks no enwo juma no say na etie LBC via at the beginning of the season no they make an application for jute sacks in respect of it there cocoa dodo a omo pesa omo ye dey omo ebeto enti na omo application na omo de ba na ye the jute sacks na ye dey ama omo so omo ko na se ebia jute sacks no sa no ma san so make another application say oh ye san so epe jute sacks no for na eno so omo ye dey omo aye but so what I say and you know at no point na obaka say jute sacks enye den jute sacks in here as we speak in the records of cocoa board no they issue about 29,500 to 30,000 a year jute sacks bia also ewumu 300 one day bia ewumu 300 it's 300 when you just multiply a year 29,500 at least times 300 when you 8.5 million bottle 8.5 million bottle what they show terms of a year tonnage now about 553,000 metric tons the tonnage of cocoa butter is around 520,000 metric tons and you know it's clearly tell you say where the issue of water system removed. However, it has to do with a new over distribution. Distribution, you find it 8 year, Kayaso, LBC, Yaman water. Water na Yadiama Kaya, Yadiama Kayaso, on the stage, Jinase. Meanwhile, also, Uko, Abba, Ebia, Adabukrum. If you not Adabukrum, no, in a bottom here, but bottom working after. So that is also the possibility. But when you're pregnant under no circumstance, can anybody say bottom high? And you know, propaganda now, no. In a public after it is of no use. It is no basis. You have to be anything. And you will be able to be
Sir Jerome mete wonka yene say cocoa bottle is see adodo na ewo ho but there is another issue about lack of funds for LBCs buying cocoa companies. They are not receiving funds eno no ama farmers dodo na nso no wo mo cocoa kura wo mo enya buyers air force reliance on fertilizer no kro ne ba LBCs no muska. So, the point is, LBC, clearly, or because the cocoa board, at the car in terms of say, on money car, not the cocoa, but to see you. Whatever means, we lower machine crazy amania. Oh, Metewon Kapa. The point I'm making, Maka, Mesa can be. We said there is no LBC
obeka se cocoa board e ne kase edia e wo say mom sika eto cocoa ba cocoa board enye dey emaye sika. There is no LBC. Of course LBC ni betimi akase ni margin wato cocoa na wie edia obenya margins nkakra no eno ndo betimi ameki a case because cocoa board the crown pony yenye sika wo say yenya no enye den emaye in terms of margins and I say divisa but say sika botnia the big cocoa ne die there is no LBC. The reason I make us any shawuni but say yenya no na wo opposition no especially Western North Korea Mate Hariado Akasa 1 or 2. But many nyana enka men kasa. Even though meaning say politically no, or person or yeah relevant in terms of mama to no or mobile better. But take an issue a bit in your go anymore. The reason why in America says that issue a bit in your go anymore in the share. Let me put on my NDC regional communication officer position. Now you know this small. Look, before say NDC babemu, a year 2024 election tiano. They kept on saying say a normal cost of cocoa border any. Fast forward, you buy no, you be normal bakum you so. Emma a year at 340 mumfuni na a day at say. But do you know what this NPP people did? Ono hariado mu ka ho enne wonya fa akuku duro no ti radio so e ka se eye NDC egu cocoa board na emom no omo fa sika ma. Look, this is what they did. So obekaya afibia no for about 32 years. Na every year cocoa board in sika bia e finish syndicated loan. The reason why in China cocoa board enye fa sika no ene say na cocoa board a credible institution because it's a okoko sika no na abrofo na wodi cocoa ne koma wo mo no omo bansa ewa abrochire no ati ase ema sika dodo a wo pe based on cocoa na what sign contract for the birthday or the bekono. It's in every year ye cocoa sign contract no ye be ma cocoa be 5. We near the 5 no call into musical mother Maya no, ye jijia yetia, na omu interest room ye the amount. It's not just we are trading abra sabi ye moka anasebia. But in 2023, 2024 season, this is what they did. NPP buying no hariado. I can't know. Oma mo bredia magana. Omukoko da abrofo ne se the betinya supply mo 800,000 metric tons of cocoa. 800,000 metric tons. So abrama omuni say omu need the capacity to supply that 800,000 metric tons. At the end of the day or the year, no, do you know how many metric tons omu supply? They were able to supply about 453,000 metric tons, which means the remaining now your cafe it is almost about 333,751,000 metric tons when you supply. It's Liberty FM. Our projection say cocoa because of say wo open secantino could that double. And once you supply no, Berlin say well, accept the cash from a Jimmy. What the Jimmy? So this is what I'm going to do. 2024, 2025. MPP are buying through cocoa board. Issue a request for proposal. And that request for proposal and no the chance here the Jibusia are a friend syndicated loan. The other side and Berlin say Omonye, because cocoa board is not a credible institution. Because only so. How can you say 800,000 metric tons? What about Juhuska? Now what supply just about 50-something% of it. 40-something% you couldn't supply into Omanye. And someone make a Officer Meboa, Google, co internet na Google, 22nd September 2024.
Liberty FM.
It became say Cocoa Board is broke because on the international market we syndicated loan yenya. They even projected to get about $1.5 billion syndicated loan. Yenya. Omobeka change oh yenya 1.5 no me be 600 million. That 600 million pozi yenya. So ni abroni ne ka kire NPP aban ene Cocoa Board ne say me nko ji aginemu bia no nkosan contract e ma ye mma obosia na emom no mi cocoa wo ho me mpese mi cocoa no e be kamunti no dia me ye ne say me fund the pictures of cocoa and me fund the pictures of cocoa na cocoa no so no sa abre no e ho ya na kakra e wa manten jamisinti no me fund but me fund no me the model bi beba some model ne fe 60-40 60-40 ni say member 60% of cocoa na me pese be dey metono na me dey say kan ko the two account mu Cocoa Board me na me kire wadwumapu afa dey fama no won say be ya mo bra niti no won nya broni ne dey e ka kire yen because enka ye bo bra ne boni ye ya enka be won say yen ya kwaje bosia no yen na ye kire seed fund aye de be ma LBC no but you say broni ne kire say fama kayaso Fabima Mestica, Fabima Way. And since I also did more or similar and also being timpa, or say on your day, on you. It's almost 60% now. What the cocoa in the qua? What the we are now the incredible BFN CTO that is cocoa take over receipt. Or the qua now 40% on the item or the amount. So, see, I won't say a day, a shilling. And this is buy you around the other buy no catch and say, Jesus Christ. Somebody way obia sabeka for your bajumbe bia should know say enya dey sustainable and can never champion the cause of Cocoa Board because
Liberty
one
FM.
if you are able to deliver a year cocoa na when tinyanye dey amfan kona bonino onye encouraged to sponsor you again so I say onye encouraged to sponsor you again or can't hardly know people didn't understand or appreciate. People did not understand and appreciate. If you are buying a catch up for no, you share from Orlando no catch up say, oh, more from 60-40 now more yen. A buyer money 80-20. It's not say, oh, around the background. 60 now walk on now and ye or say there be men pay 60 now more be kind of ban. You may pay 80. Said the buyer at every point in time. We need to be then. Ede atoni kuku ana okotoni kuku ebenye skade yede amano but abrofo no ancestor no omugina o ka say ebisi ayepe ene yede be mom ene yede it continue and then it continue so now the model and the situation na ye tesi sia no broni no e catch on say this ya kuku do da mbese metoni and then the meeting we crown no na me udi kama we ya eno ano no meeting baby because of that eno na oye nti because of the eno oye nti but no can say there's a scheduled meeting and also you share abrofo no I was London to talk about this situation and find out how omo betimi ayeden omo betimi rescind omo decision again we have to meet cabinet whereby a young kasa because you need the papampo aban our aban betimi edi sika foforo asanso ayeden aba in order to do it in order to purchase the cocoa another situation so is seeing one was a buy no not smuggling because one even in 2022-2023 about 150,000 metric tons was smuggled from Yememuha into the Sadia Yabema BBF and fair pricing into a neck and now ye can say Opoko ne bo Ghana ni yoko boy de because ye tia a walk a fear at the my cocoa for Oko Cote d'Ivoire a boy ye tia omuntia Oko Nigeria Oko Togo all the African continent a boy around Muhammad Diamond there is no country giving that a year price into a mass smuggling and pursue into and ne cocoa nanke best mogana Ghana ha. Number 2, among who for and so air day. At your mukoko everywhere or mining the tongue man for almost better. Inti, as we speak this season, we have excess of cocoa beans. Our yamama, even more than what we projected. More than what we projected. Inti no for August, I be a season up to December. We are for a cocoa about 500,000 metric tons. Meanwhile, you projected 650,000 metric tons. So you ask yourself, say, about a year, 7 months, and now 6 months now, academy before say a bit close a cocoa season. We are expected to buy about 150,000 metric tons. So there is excess cocoa beans, and Amakwao, but because of the decision, Omanpenino and Dr. Randiabi, a take here. In order to say, you cocoa, a boa, a sefata. Mimia. 2024 under Hariagwa when you no customer. Now you talk cocoa. A man send just it could be $12,000. But also cocoa cream in the sub castle on the cocoa cream in the sub castle. The Juman Swenny, it's no which year a 3,100. Out of $12,000. This wickedness, but a net cocoa natia man be about $5,800. But yet, you a bois. Africa hanging on the so if I hear an MPP person, na okasa, very frustrating because I was saying at every point in time. Okotoni cocoa, say a year half kilo, say a 1 kilo, say a 2 kilos, say a denyo. I was in the but MPP mean. Who contribute here wouldn't need any moral justification. Now it's radio so embarrassing yourself, thinking say, oh yeah then who go buy any matter. Thinking say you want to be relevant in your party and as such you will chant on the party. At the end of the day, a didn't go and I'm telling you now, Hariado, there is nobody in Western North that should take that guy serious. Because as someone can say, a credible politician and a communicator, and ka, uhu enyoma akoso enyoma bonia akoso krampona, and ka obesere. Because I was a minority in parliament on agric and cocoa affairs. They are not talking. They are not talking because enyoma na akoso no. So we see about Jimbe Bia when people move na wuchire mu chire na. Opposite the king, a core MPP leadership now, not a cocoa board. The person wants us to take kings and go to them one by one. Let me tell you one other thing. And under cocoa roads, I'm telling you, for you have what alcohol, boarded in the car because of cocoa roads. Do you know why cocoa boarded in the car? Because 2017, 2018, 2018, 2019, 2019, 2020. God did not make any budget for PPLC etnasem. Omukachi Kuko boy said no. Musika sem enye. Intino mamo nye kwani. Nemo mu focus on ekriafo no. Omuka ye no. Ena Kuko board management section. Sabika from kwa assembly na mokam. Ebetine ne yenya intubo tuni. So abejoko na trasa kacho mo say mamo nye kwani. Mu focus on ekriafo because musika sem enye no. That 3 years na make am. NPP are buying through Cocoa Board. I awarded over 21 billion Ghana cedis worth of cocoa contract. In the lifetime of Cocoa Board, our cocoa rose about 26 billion. A more 21 billion 3 years. And that 3 years, and also a year, sir. It is a would Ghana for the cocoa from Pony way. And it is a would Ghana for the cocoa from Pony way. And Hariado has the audacity, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, to sit on radio, thinking that Sabekafo, he will base on the sophisticated nature of some people and do this kind of communication to win him sympathy. Say NDC, any Ora Randiabi, Ora Mahama, any shade. Say your mind is so, and people will be I have that temerity to be moving around from one radio station to the other. You don't have any facts. You don't have any figures. You don't have nothing. Look, me, when I was communicating from opposition, I be a me and then say obi an authority. Say wo kaya so to Liberty FM under no circumstance in a mere margin say there are more or much information etching a kaya so, especially when it comes to morning show, any morning show production. So what I would do, this guy has never mentioned anything pointing to the fact to say
okay. But Jerome, answer na containers of jute sacks about 200 a woman sa jute sacks ni nyina no any agrochemicals ahodo mu nyina no ayira sa asem no akwa akosi say monsa aka jute sacks mo ho bebi e wo anase etesan pa.
You see this personality jute sacks na omo in 2024 the irrevocable letters of credit. Irrevocable letters of credit. Say through Ghana International Bank. Through Ghana International Bank. And the containers by some of the containers na container no feeling IT agencies BNI money are there. They are investigating. They are investigating these issues. And money are there. Cocoa board is cooperating. So how? Yes, I do. It do bunny way. The one you could draw now to radio station. Now kasa. Now kasa. I do many wo. Man for no. Because who were any iota of respect for a man for now. The can't come for it. I just said because obi obi rada na ya chenu. Na wasanso akoko jina ho a defender. You have no shame.
Issues ne clear. Ninyina no it's time for sports. Bugatti wa ha. Professor Ansusu ewa ha. Amenko moye na menko nkuti wo mo na no pani ahwa agudi mu nsema hodwa wo mo so ekura wo mo edinam. But mamenka asa ebra Aso Lodge. Unya bedru Aso Lodge. Your accommodation executive ones pa ewo honom. Your restaurant, your bar, your pool. Your several continental and local dishes nyina ewo yaso ye. Enti se say a wote menkan. Fra wo na book reservation. Se na be ya obenya ba bi ma ho no ada. 0540192195. Ube wono Aso Lodge ewo empomam. We also implement womo eben kokobot. Ode wunya ewura kokobot mu honom na abon se Aso Lodge. Womo signpost esi ho. Di post na chi obekwa ko hunu Aso Lodge se ewo ho. Sara so na Seahorse Mahiti promo no so ekoso no pe me kanfo ede amaso kokoje Seahorse womo engine oil no. Ebi na onya bi pe bieni tine so ubia obehu se konkonum ya tworo bibi mu code bi eka ho achede eka ho number bi ka ho send achede no ana code no eko number no eso Seahorse for nsa beka omusaka na obohwe na pepepe eno ano watu wadi ubetumenya sika 50 Ghana cedis akwa kosi 5000 Ghana cedis ubetumenya mobile phone iron fan fridge TV the ultimate price no aboboya tricycle. Inchiremu bia ope bia na frɛ 0540424386 0243218566. And remember, this advert National Lottery Authority and our approval. Seahorse Mahiti promo obiase pay kenkran. Bugatti, good morning.
Morning, the bosses of the bosses.
Professor Dr. Dawood Afriye Hajia Bintu. Good morning. Hajia. Yajida. Was it light off? Yeah. Way power. Vem ni ho anapay. Bugatti.
Boss in here.
Yes, boss in here.
No. Why? Why you don't talk to me today?
Huh?
You don't talk to me.
What's a light off?
So, I've names here, so.
Yeah, so.
No.
Okay.
You haven't mentioned my name this morning.
Sir.
Yeah, I heard you mention Ajia.
You didn't hear me mentioning Professor Dr.
Professor Aden Ajia is a different name.
It's a different name.
Yes.
So Professor. Okay, Professor.
Yes, I'm Professor. Dr. Sheikh Alhaji Osman Dawood Suleiman.
Sheikh Nikaho.
No. Sheikh Alhaji Osman. Hajia is a woman go to Mecca.
And
Alhaji
Sheikh is
a scholar.
A scholar.
Yeah.
So you are a scholar.
Yeah, I'm a scholar.
You are
a scholar.
Boss player. Professor. Boss player. Doctor.
Yes, one boss.
Yes, sir.
Today Friday.
Yes, sir.
Actually.
Yeah.
We will go to Joma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Around today's third Juma of the year.
Okay.
2026. Yeah, man. Boss.
Yes, sir.
This was a little comment of the conversation.
Little comment.
Yes.
Yes, boss, and
a little comment. That's I say a little comment. Buga.
Yes, sir.
Mose we just a moral education one service. Omo ye for ayimu. Ana.
Assembly. Me sure. Me sure say omayi. Omo dey asemfa. Education omayi.
The social studies crown your me.
The social studies are what?
No crown you chuma so.
Me ko hu ya chi.
By all courses there.
What you say sans syllabus na pa. But omo say na when Canadian ne ya. Isim say Canadian na no shi.
No shi pa.
Na dey dia. Yengo fa me send de na samra. And no say training for abofo ni bi nye. But omo say
o say na e was so ma. Everyone in penny phones to go ya.
MPC ni yi.
And so
so from right say be answer here the tian from.
Na mi enwa buga
because you say eno no yesu enya na ba to na dey guso yeti.
Yes, na guso watim.
But ebi mu de na anu ya.
Na anu ya
omrefi. But o kai da. Won market day at assessor.
Wa. Dem fe na ma mi sure kantan. Oh,
you see,
a ball ya kobo over
jiki.
Almost a ball quite so much offside.
You see. Oh, see,
boy. Yes, boy.
Na dey boss.
A subject be. Yo, basket you mukai.
Yeah, me kai pa.
Basket you technical.
Yeah.
Oh, religious and moral education.
Religious and moral education. Your curriculum.
Yeah. Primary foreign JHS for me.
Because I say religious and moral education. That is RME.
Yeah. RME.
Yeah. It's a core subject.
It's a core. Oh, okay.
I was senior I say.
And a stand-alone subject.
Sir.
Now we said the charity say.
Our basic and GHS and SHS.
Hey, a road JHS.
A senior name ho.
Oh, senior high.
Wow.
Senior no we na SRC is on na.
Oh, senior high.
SRC. No SRC man go there.
SRC. You say SRC was about.
SRC here.
You say SRC was SHS oh.
SRC.
Even crop.
But that's a good one.
You any more than namo.
Boss.
You say SRC.
By student representative council.
I'm see a children over here.
Oh, and then subject. And then subject. I see PT.
Yes, echo. But echo subject.
I know your course. What the men namo?
Oh yeah.
One and I'm no.
And they SRC.
Never drop a chase here.
SRC.
I medium say
yeah.
What's your time here? I remember. Course subject today. Because
your kgs are the Coco SHS.
Oh, wow. But still now, boss, on say RME na a subject here. And I say na your course for a chinewa. yɛde efie adwene no on religious yes religious osom na osom no on na the fie adwene wura mu but mo say your mo tro mo dey no mo ntro mu you
because for now your life skills crowd life skills
yeah
then to here pa
then so come up
life skills me kai but sango fata te yene mra dey dey mi hunzo
because so
go for no kan ya mi hu he
omo tro mo kwana stay na enchida hu religious so mo shem kura no mu
no bibi ansi
e na akora betu ba twe wase wie no abeja video say fa ka de obewe no filipoko
no sorry
as upon say yes Sunday morning on stay na no ye sheda hu any value bia ade tu nkwa na brabo
yes
onti say e wo de a omo nkusu na omo nche kwan no first na omo se chom kama no omo trust no say we dey hard so kora no say poto kora no say de
hard pa
because as we dey na mai
ya ko ide
ade say de ajigon ojamba ya
say that abuche so she say na ya be say bia basa for no so yes be luzu
oh yeah but
say na mon for
basari on say say ba those games na basara mo twema 2 goals
yes so many
mo share yes rising Saturday on do mo to mo level
yes
nti basara nya do mo twema okra ti ma ehwe na yemfa resource na ne kweli sa alright abusia ene eye Friday eti chuma mu balak en konfirmati sanfo ina ne be ko chuma na yakobo mpa tema o man konkron Ghana na enu games etimi to twati yenhwe na yemfa resource no enfamao na enu Uzbek etra feshe kabako a Union Berlin enso timi she kabako ewe German Bundesliga na enu Italian Serie A Hellas Verona eshe kamenu a ema Bologna ekopom ya kamiesa enu tima ye fen komo omni AC Milan game no na anu die parents AC Milan ensu experience ya omo share kamisa ayekomo enso temetemo bako wey ayekema anu etemi totwa enso Italian Serie A E3 yentwe anu Copa del Rey ayekam se etemi totwa anu pomokwa yef Essen ayobogos CF omo anshebi ama Valencia ekopom ya kamino anu Racing Santander entemi antwotna ayetima FC Barca bom ya kamine katom samo mo masa ya nyamatin na enkwada bi enso be say entawro mo to lavie ba amane ban so temi ya kama entimatima ya FC Barcelona enti Barca ekomonim enso aye Copa del Rey na any game any temi ya toja na any La Liga ye penye Espanyol omni Girona enso tepe Paris Saint-Germain 8 p.m. and temi ya toja and sa onko German Bundesliga ye penye Werder Bremen omni tima ye enter Frankfurt enso tepe pani na Italian Serie A ye penye Pisa omni Atalanta enso tepe entamso yanko Frenchika ye penye AS Monaco omni Laurent enso tepe pani aye Paris Saint-Germain aye PSG team no omni Lee enso tepe pani wey aye games ya ene pe temi antotwa ana metewa sab enso tamao ewo twemani enso ene no pai ye enya seketaka wey enso ene games ya ebe temi antotwa ana metewa sab enso tamao ewo twemani sempe anima enso pe temi ankoyi ewo twemani so de mami mfantotwa emfomo se ene sausha mami mla African na mi mfa ayemfe ayechese wofko onsen afkoro eguso etotwa afkoro ayemema na wofko ansia man side ya mi antuma enje na wofko enso betotwa na ene the group stage omunso tebe futures no enso tebe da ba na ene say na setting na Monaco anaso my afa Morocco rada na Morocco ane epewo so eti group A aye Morocco Algeria Senegal ene Kenya ene bepiemu enso chese group A enso Wofcon amman Afcon na uko group A ye Benyan South Africa Ivory Coast Burkina Faso ene Tanzania enso group B yanko group C ye Benyan Nigeria Zambia Egypt ene Malawi aye group D aye Ghana Cameroon Mali aye Cape Verde etwe aye Wofcon enche so mutuma dia enche ebetutwa enso maye from Morocco ena mete features enso tetutwa eba twimode so a anya sanketaka etui eye kemsia enso betima tutwa ena mete wansam enso tema eba twimode enso emnepay mami nkomonte ena report me kedan sen Openia ye fe Fiorentina Paris and Openia fe your club 18 komoye pa na your club only count the first IHS proposal and tabo say Nyamiya Tomna say be take over as head coach and Timotima ye fe real Martina Teso Bia na Jompa I bunch of Ellen Branhaland so bunch and so petty me Antonio no Bessia Timotima ye fe real Martin and Teenage what is a penia ye fe fellow and ye Fiorentina Press and a penny and so ten Komepa also Perim Casano when you are meant to send us a man on your tiba ye fe IHS real Martin wo pe timia kochi na eneman so timia koyin etienche se eneman so pe timia kama na ene reporter per se obani fe enso morescan aye second choice atimo real mate se ne so penia ye fe yo je club de na mfa omo so pe timia consider na omo for former coach etimatima ye fe nche se fe enso moresca etwi aye reporter e fe pa mete wan some enso tiatuta e twimode so an anya saketa mi ko Atlanta na Atlanta for player na Osaka Demontiman ye attack command ye fenon es Raspadori na apprentice compatuma 25 good years and apprentice ye Raspadori ewa okompatuma Demontima ye Atlanta na anyone so tibia koyi mami info we entatwe na ene reporter pasebuga
yes sir
we ayo ye friend Thomas 2K.
Yes.
Now, your coach Etima England, Omonasha Timo, the 3 Lions of England.
Yes.
Was started prepare for World Cup.
Okay, Cecilia.
Yes. Yes. Now, I see you fun to just say, Yamiya to World Cup here, was a combination of talent and experience.
Papa Nyabutre.
Yes, was a combination of proper talent. Yes. And experience. Na okansa sem ni wie no. And was say the 3 Lions ebe facing Croatia, Panama, and Ghana.
Oh my God.
I want to say wake up.
Yes.
This group a group of deaf and Temano. I was so prepared very well. Yes. Thomas 2K. Also Eddie no
prepare
yes or prepare so prepare quick and also fun yago cry 80 PS for sin PS mu bia function tim say woroje chese obeda odano wada san say woroje ono no chese wa cement the position I want the 3 Lions of England to be any position hormo yes in just of a pray as on ball multi world club side
yes
na also what team anya call up 80 was so much bia 1966
yes
and my friend England
do no awu
ye do na awu
nanu ya
yes nanu ya yes enanti our sentisia omutemeje edison na sanso omukwa squad etway England omucoach last one N'Golo Kante southern kache na reporter about saying N'Golo Kante any for the party and so we contract okopia edema fanabache na edema so atime kabaiti ebuga we days and many more and some torso
yes
enti enawia betrasa yet later dates some more and so ebeti da bada coach ayo pedi fer otoado
okay
oko Derby County
ekwasra
Thomas Asante
Brandon Thomas Asante they are prepare for Nkwana obviously
bad otoado a otim se coach o chese wala kinima bebre wojina okra na wala kinima coach wenye coach otoado mwaye muga
yes sir
wadauma adide kwasienti afisem
medase wa we stand for prophet we na pray kakra men so men saka officer na pamba be what me we na afei na ade achebia morning show so atwa me adom enne o chana afei na me adom Sunday the Ghana Premier Match Week 19 besan so achase na na okwa the rest of Ghana Sports Stadium ni say half for 14 na dream self say we are 3:30 sa game no and so bet magasanso na china about 3:30 hu pa say dance park bibiani go start ani Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO na afei okoni J Kreku the second Sports Complex Vision FC and so na media ma wi 3 p.m. na game no and so bet ma Sunday 5 games ebet ma course of various centers across Ghana. The only say uko Dr. Kwame Chey Sports Complex Natures FC any Adena Stars we are 3:30 afei Brekum Chelsea betra Golden City Park one All Blacks we are 3 p.m. na afei uko Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium Kaola team na betra afei one any summer that we are 3 p.m. afei but the Kaola Star betra AAK the second Sports Arena one any BECHEM na we are 3 p.m. and afei uko Pando Stadium ade omni say yeah Chelsea coach and Bashir for betma ya juma we are 3 p.m. Heart of Florence team now and 11 wonders afei Wenchi Sports Stadium Young Apostle ni team first United and say we are 3 p.m. and him say in some pina na ekoso na me ya tum they say a man of kono to ba Chelsea this year na no draw no koso Cameroon and afei Mali and Kevin Ghana kwakotomo no pani ani di ade ket yes the kwa kire mi say we di o gidie say maya yi korie ye kwa kwade wafko no enso de sie na so yentie opani event say ket yes to kreku.
Specifically to the draw, I think that on the back of the fact that Ghana were third at the last AFCON, Ghana should be ready to face any opponent, and therefore I was not too keen or interested in who comes into the group with Ghana. For me, Ghana should be able to play against any side on the African continent if you want to become a champion. So I'm happy about the draw. I think that the team will be very prepared. Taking our minds back, the FA invested a lot in preparing the Queens for the last WAFCON. We trips to Morocco, trips to Senegal, trips to Cote d'Ivoire, and then backed by the government again to Morocco for the pre-tournament campaign. And we intend to give the team same level of support. You would realize that we've even scaled up a bit, playing against England in Southampton. So that tells you the desire of this federation to see the female sport grow.
Well, what is the for Ghana football president KOTOKO na moto Ghana na china with a black queen for coach offense came last boki gezu chem so ono ebra no ban Ghana oba Africa na eto so nsia they say oba na djuma tintene uko African eto so miensa na ese na djuma ya de aya phenomenal yentie came last boki green.
I'm happy that when I came in, I think we were number 6 in Africa, and now we are number 3. It makes up top seeded. In the end of the day, if it's going to help or not, I don't know. We're going to face another 3 really good teams. But like I said, I'm looking forward to the tournament, and we will push to do an even better tournament this time.
Well, what is the for black queen for coach offense came last boki green with for moton can one say as some modern baby jatanra on the legendary yo Ferdinand Bonkomo wa America na nim senra o kan simpia wizard opani na Ghana mo na ja mo want to kwa no so da bia ya crofo football dey sanity akrofo mama nya akodo yentie opani offense somewhat gian.
Ghana Nigeria is a good rivalry. It's not like a hatred something. You know, we always want to challenge ourselves. They always want to beat us in everything.
Yeah. Even with Jollof.
With Jollof, you know, with Jollof. But at the end of the day, we love each other. Like we are very good rivals. Very, very good rivals. So anybody who say we hate each other now, that's not it. We love each other, but we don't want the other side to win in anything. Maybe me and my brother we're doing something. I don't want him to win. He doesn't want me to win. It doesn't mean we don't love each other. Ghana and Nigeria loves each other.
Yet Ghana and Nigeria they was for when to come here to maybe get was for and what and I'm some chine was on penny say so back and check crown and pepina can south from cry boy be just I want you say Afcon airborne at said yabo committee among for mutia and we say Afcon and we no no Caribbean honestly only say about Afcon at said your World Cup you tell someone Jambium.
Afcon is like a World Cup to me.
I look at the Afcon and think why is the Afcon at the time of the season when the African players in Europe have to now leave their clubs? It makes it difficult for the European players because this will go against African players when they're going to be purchased by a club because I'm going to lose him at Christmas.
That is something that I've thought about all these years. You know, it affects most of the clubs that they have the African players, the important players, and it should get to a time that FIFA or CAF to have a place, you know, during off season for this AFCON. That is my opinion. You can see a club maybe leading the league table. All the players go to AFCON in January, and then they start dropping points. AFCON is like a World Cup to me.
Yes, AFCON is a World Cup. Now, something that you also record on your phone as a panel translate. Now, him said, year 2010, what the Ghana for come, I'm what Chile, Obian said, the other boy you taught them one, so we are born up in Bow, so bra, 2010 World Cup against Uruguay, now born or said, or so, Sabian, and can we double about because now we say, what Africa for you now, Kuma, Yenti as some Wajan beam.
I let Africa down. That was one of my worst moments in my career. Worst moment. I would have ended my career at that time.
Ended it?
Yeah, I would have.
Oh.
You remember after the game, we went to a penalty shootout, and I took it first. I was the first person to take it. So that was what revived my career. Going to that penalty shootout and then scoring. That was what revived my career. I would have ended my career like that.
Was you scared? You must have been scared.
Yeah, the James started the boy said, "Bro, what's up on that TV?" And Black Ghana, so you grab a penalty on a soccer far boy, the boy. And to whom he said, "A sounds to one on Nankan, the Cabin, or Serino, or about first penalty in Boama Fay, or Sans to revive Philip. I know it's subject for if we are somewhere down, come to Johnny, your further and Cototrianum, and I don't say, "And for winning Fentato." Now, me had my Sunday, the enemy, Anna Fay, a Afcon fan and a cost on him so Ramoa, say, Yaton, Claudia, Fred, musicians, a whole door, so my performer was so besides Stormzy, Jelan, and now Fay, Yana Diamum, a Stormboy. Outboard, I'm here my Sunday or performing live or Morocco. Yinti wa bro no yin samano or performance and my Sunday or performing on.
Top 3 footballers you love to watch right now.
You know what? Let me zone it into the African Cup of Nations. I will go Hakimi, Osimhen, Sadio Mane. Yes.
Top 3 African players of all time.
JJ Okocha, Adebayo, Adu Abedi Pele.
Top 3 Black Stars players of all time.
Asamoah Gyan for me, Stephen Appiah, Tony Bafo as well. Anthony Bafo. I'm going to add more to that one. So we have Sule Muntari and we have Michael Essien.
Top 3 favorite football teams to watch right now.
To an extent, I say Arsenal, I'll do Real Madrid, Tottenham, maybe Manchester. You know, like these guys.
If you were a footballer, what are the top 3 meals you would eat to recover after a match day?
I love my jollof.
Yes.
With some plantain and some salad, some niceness, you know, fufu and some abenkwine.
Yes, it I was not for penny. Just said, "Nyam kwano no to was also table na see ye." Instead of those, the best of for area. A bone in the better us now for any mumieno. Yet you are good demo in Sunny Bias and so. But what a pop Ghana pay? So them on this seminar at the about meeting at the water Frederick with my friend said Bugatti.
Abusia for ya mu bia kwaba e de BECHEM Company Limited so edinaku a wo Ghana ha wakofa aduru nwanwaso e de abadwa so a aduru no ewe nwanwade akese aduru ni din ne Semens Vital Herbal Mixture and Capsule aduru na ne mra na de agan no wudnam na oti agan a aduru e na mebe kanfo de amagana ni bia na se bibini bia se obenya bie na won so anonom na etimi aboa no sa ebron waso aye ka ho asemi Semens Vital Herbal Mixture and then the capsules no eye adu a ye dma wontini mu edui uwe obi a sabi o mema sem eda fom tinkeja bema ni ntimi man mu so kra bema ni ntimi peja no ho uye bema sabi woni obehiem na sisia no waje mu a wonso edui ye kanfo de amawo edui ye bra ebe bra ma wontini na tinya sore gina so ebe mamo de bua pusane wo bema ni mama bema na tinya sore gina so ye na watumi abo adwuma na ama o piafo obi bia sabi oni atinka so wo ba so ye bema ni hia edro Semens Vital Herbal Mixture and Capsules ane man ne dia gan ni bi kona koto bi nom watinka ayira na tikopra kona koto bi ni bi nanom na obo sabi ebi no esi ye adwuma sifa apai ni ye ne to nche sabi obi wo hono a tichikom o how pa kese pa so ba na wo kom fichire na se women's na ma ebayi a edu ebeboa Semens Vital Herbal Mixture kona koto ebi ni binom be ma fichiko no bibia e kama de amount afa so wote yaw o fichiko mu a edu ebeboa Semens Vital Herbal Mixture and Capsule afa so obi won ma sabi wa ko jane nan no na moja di etire wo ba na otisa the bia hu moja no tieniye pa se moja no ye gon bright red we no say bright red and na say be betuma bo ama moja ni na to atwa e de ama okra afa so obi so asabi ne to ase twetwe no we ni kan say sciatica wo sciatica e de betuma bo ama ya no twetwe na wo ni na etia ti akokra no e ye agan cement vital herbal mixture and capsules ebro no eye aduma wontini no na enuane no bi ebro we mu a eboa pa ye fen nitric oxide say nitric oxide no unya eba oni pebiem a enti bi emu asi enti aka tare ba be biem ba be huntini ama enti no tuna da o modulate media pisane osisi e na ya ye neurotransmitters a sulfur adren no ho e na eba eno na say victim jawa na say pains bi mu a na sa neurotransmitter no etimi ababeboa ama pain na say yaw no etimi akofom ebei ewo nyane bi mu a etimi release neurotransmitter ye fe no endorphin na sa endorphin ne ba say usisi na yaw jaw na wote no ewo usisi mu no ebei eba be stopping na yisu dopamine na be yi yaw no nyina fi wo ko e de amount enti so sisi ya ebi o so no e ya gan cement vital herbal mixture and capsules ebi agi award yenim de ka ho asem no 2022 best waist pain product of the year 2023 ebi sa agi award e fa sisi ya de ho 2024 yes agi yes a hwe ni sa fie bi anyim nyina so ye be sa agi award no e bema na o pese nyina so no gina so kene wabla obenu meburu simaka krabi atia fe number no ai bu screen ase no o fe number na ye be no be kasa kama ni acho send o mesla no meburu no na ni metumi aboa ama bibia e kama ma afa so baby abenya bia to no ye di bu screen so memem ti ni le pa se wo kumase ene ni pattern wo store o person to be ton a baby a di kan PFA pharmacy New Junction wana PFA pharmacy o stock kesi a obenya bia tu onu akwakoton afi Colinac ewo Ashtown oni dani herba obi na wa Ashtown ko ho Fredimens eso okay onu so be na bia to afi Sambora ewo Cavity V3 no opposite pe ebon ebra eba beboa ewi sa o hawo na fi wa kwa ma enti pebi achi kwanto agan a tese ejan no edito na enkotote e ma na so na wa ho den pepepe e da ma
Oh yes, anuanom Franco Trading Enterprise we die wabama ye nyina o enei yamfuka enkonkoto phone biem yamfuka enkonkoto TV biem Franco Trading Enterprise at the original Nokia phone, Samsung iPhone, original smart TV from 32 to 100 inches, Franco air condition, Franco Trading Enterprise at the fridge, chairs and ketwa eni akese nyina bi ediaba, washing machine, microwave, blenders, generators, gas and electric stove, CCTV camera.
What na hore? Waba Franco Trading. Kesa bahraba ba fite wa yesa hiwa. Kesa yangwa foka ko. Yimboko ti yola che Epran TV, mobile phone, washing machine, microwave, blenders, gas stove. Ya fe jamon boko ti dia. Nka bo di che fa won yichirara in enterprise. Boya ya ka che phone papa fie. Kesa se hie ya ti jura pa.
Minia ba bia obinya nyoma papa ato. Eye Franco Trading Enterprise. Enei Franco Trading Enterprise. Ye wasa hijuna se. Ye ne Ghana Cocoa Board and a board and him share. Obetinya friend number 0202 608 858. Franco Trading Enterprise. Quality not
Jeremy Razabren. Na minya Araba Bazen pills. Edu ma fichi cross wanyo. Etimi come say dwe. Bosumi bi wonu wa he emeye. Eto da ba etimi basi boom boom boom. Ebi nso ha minya tinka bia krasa me no behia. Minya tinka bia krasa me no behia.
Bode ne hamio.
Oh, Araba Bazen.
Unchu capsules so ahye ne mema no pa ma sese. De no odwonso 10 no wanya hoto. Do no odwonso ne mu ya ne ya. Ono so ho ato no. Dwonso emu apaye divided urine control capsules abeyi wa hawo nyina afie ne meme so
mira na wokai last time enka wo ya say wo ho obazi mu no
asem akọbọ so we se Johnson afumi mu o se me hu no hwe be funa se me hu se basa du ba bi nso kra ma Johnson via me fisi ma wie no na se kakra kam
wow
se control capsules ayi wa hawo nyina firi hokra
araba bazen pills ani control capsules ebi wa pharmacy ani chemical shop bi
wo se hwene no potem a obenye bi wo Candice License Chemical Store wo se hwe so wo fa Kisi Herbal e wo dwena se Ernestina Herbal e wo se hwe bekwai Junior Saman ene Prince Moses Pharmacy wo Sciences SKD a e wo se hwe dwabo so wo betuma free Kulun Ghana Limited e wo 05049 06665 0545 906665
Antiti, mami fufu 20 Ghana. Me pe fufu ne nkwan kwa. Sisi a sene Ghana akoni de ya bonu 010. Meme wanu ni. Telecel de. Yenim so bia ne ne ope. Enu nti ne ya made for me bundle. Ya data ne call packages are F4. Ya ya ma wonkwa. Made for me bundles. Send you we need je ho. But *530# na top made for me bundles. Sesia.
Telecel. Connecting energies. Jobs Enterprise. Yes, Jobs Enterprise. Yaba, say yaba, niaba babwa amansanyina. Say eba air conditioner sedia. Fadinina sayensa. Jobs Enterprise. Say offices, a few, another hotels, and our air conditioners. Say a fridge, cold room, Mitra cold stores akasia. A car air conditioners. Fadinina as a Jobs Enterprise. Yensa. Na yensies ye enfamao. Ye ton esanso aya services. Jobs Enterprise. Baby biara. Ewo mama fananyi nada. Ye ko ekoko dijuma edeboa ema air conditioners ejira wonanso ebo adwuma wadre fu nyenye eni ti se eba air conditioners dia eno ani Jobs Enterprise yaso ye kase e wo Kumasi Santase ye be Atansemaso Junction sunyane so ye be Catholic Secretariat no enafi sewiyoso ye wo empomom opengo fitting shop ho a wo betumi afre Jobs Enterprise na ye be siesie wo air conditioners no e dia mawo ya homanie 0244 144 570 and 0207 161 777 and 0243 468 077. Jobs Enterprise. Seba air conditioners there. Ye number 1. Ye demonstration kokra.
Abuja mame sai emma wakwaba emfa o emra jumedie so aha eye Liberty 92.7 FM. Ebra so se ani amanyofo no esi nkonya anapai na yeji wo mo so adwenhye ewo eye ensem apiepie edwaso. Na ene ye ba be kansem ede afa eye the minority no ensem a wo mo eka efa eye nakafo wo mo printing na wo mo kokoye ya kokofa teachers manual ede ba ya ensem bebri ena ewom na yentie yewia na yatoaso.
In the light of the foregoing, we, on the side of the minority, demand the following actions, grounded in constitutional governance and parliamentary accountability. 1. We, on the side of the minority, demand that there is an immediate withdrawal of all teaching and learning materials containing LGBTQ-related content, including redefined concept of sex, sexuality, sexual orientation, sexual rights, and gender identity from all schools. You remember when NACA brought their statement, as it were, to respond to Reverend Ntimfojo. They made mention of the fact that the current manual has been withdrawn from the schools. And Dr. Park also made Ghanaians also know that even though it has been withdrawn, he referred us to an online version of the manual. In that online version, it is even worse. The definitions of what sex, sexuality, and others are is even worse in that online version. The minority is also demanding a transparent and inclusive review of all affected teaching and learning materials involving Parliament, religious bodies, traditional authorities, parents, civil society organizations, education experts, and teacher unions. 3. The dismissal of the Director General of NACA and the Chairperson of NACA Board for failure of oversight and breach of public trust. We say so because NACA is now telling us assuming without admitting that the document was developed by the NPP government in 2024, if you don't believe in it, why then do you go ahead to go and even print them in 2025? That is causing financial loss to the state. Because these are teacher manuals that you have printed and distributed across the country. And that is why we are calling for the head of the NACA CEO and the board chairperson of NACA. The institution of a full parliamentary inquiry by the appropriate committee of the House into the development, approval, funding, and circulation of these materials, including the role of external partners. Now there's a call of conscience and civic responsibility. I once again use this opportunity, and on behalf of my colleagues, call on the bishops, that is the Catholic Bishops Conference of Ghana, the Christian Council of Ghana, the Methodist Conference, the Presbyterian Conference, the Muslim Conference, to examine the teacher manual carefully and determine whether its content is in consonance with the teachings of Christ. And for those who are also Muslims, to also assess whether the content in the teacher manuals are also in consonance with the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If it is not in consonance with that, we want to hear from them. We are also calling on the broader Christian community, religious bodies, civil society organizations, parents, traditional leaders, teacher unions, and all well-meaning Ghanaians to let their voices be heard. They cannot be quiet. They cannot practice magnum silencium. We need to hear from them.
Liberty FM.
Parliament responds to pressure. Silence weakens accountability. This is not a partisan matter. It is a question of national values, legislative integrity, and the moral direction of our education system. We further challenge the NDC government to state clearly on the floor of Parliament and to the Ghanaian people whether it still stands by the statement it made in opposition. Which statement at the tail end of my submission, I will read some of them out to you. Whether delay still amounts to endorsement, and whether it will finally align its parliamentary conduct with its public rhetoric. History will not remember slogans. It will remember votes, rulings, and decisions. And silence in moments like this is itself a legislative choice.
Nia yetini ni Vincent Kowasifwa of the minority in Parliament. And Odi in some way etuja. With me this morning representing the MPP. Openia Okonzunzia Akojano Wi nana Nzunzia hine ifiri ha ono na wase otimi tututu bibia brother na yada so betu kwan obekwa. Yes. FK24 brand
nana
enya no ase na wo dia
nana
menya nana o
nkunga
menya nana o
dabi mamenka ibinchiro mamenka ibinchiro
menya nana
mamenka ibinchiro obuwa
me
obuwa
menya nana wai
mamenchiro
mini akonwa o enkofa se bia mbrami o akana mamu mini akonya
o mamenkasa
mini akonya mewa wokane mini akonya
nana nkunga
wona wodi akonya
okundom nana nkunga okundom
enya no ho asem na ye wona wodi akonya mini akonya nana be na midi
nkunga udi no oti ase yi
midi sai mesi midi akonya
nkunga no
dabi memende
nkunga no
dabi enka midi ho
mesi
midi akonya woka den wofa
mesi nkunga okundom no ya oye se hyo so mahena tetepa ya nana wonya ne ba bi ko ebe fa ni din no ohu din no yesi okundom
correct
okobo asantefo ema omo coin
senior historian
yes okobo asantefo ema omo coin edinkunim ewo denchirafo so.
Thank you.
Enti no history no ewa.
Thank you.
Nti edru baabi no onim sɛ hwe so mahene. Ne papa ne asante hene.
Thank you.
Nti edru baabi no na omo so omo mane ma because obeboa omo secret. Nti omo mane ma. Sehwi. Nti no edru sɛ ye kan ya obeba no eno omo bando ne sɛ omo nsuo bi is it and cobra also.
I don't know.
Emani ntwa. Nti na sehwi so mahene. Na okọ akra no ntimi mfa kumase because sensuo no omo ye nhihye se so omo gya na manaba nhihye ni bi ni se sensuo no emani ntwa nti sa abre na se hwe oso mahene e konkran okofa dunkwa ana takrade no akọ enti de meka kosi ni se sadin no ye ka okundom se wo ye frɛ okundom na aka amamre mu no se ye de woto pania ye modi diwe se ye de woto pania ye modi diwe nti ye frɛ nana okundom prekope the host of Liberty FM pani de pani etu na ote ho no nti wo ye nana nkoa okundom udine nye di ketwa ye bon wo se hwiman mu a enye di ketwa eti wo no ye fro nana nkoa okundom se hwi so mahene
me de kwasi
nkoa okundom nana kwasi okundom
that's
nana kwasi okundom
that is me.
Liberty FM host bakope pani de pani radio eba se hwi so ha first enti wo din no me ka kire wo ne se edin no aye nana ngwa
majiatu
anase nana
ni bad me ngwa
wo hu se ti edin bi wo
I agree
edin bi wo ha ye bo a me ye fra me badu na ye de badukro
majiatu
what ya say esi edin no o de ngwa ne so na wiye peye eti nana ngwa okum dom
yo majiatu
the host of Liberty
majiatu
onete ho no se eyewo a
majiatu mi
one na dodo otie
mate
ena no pai
medasi
radio nyina mu radio host nyina mu host nana ngwa okum do one ne yetie na no pai
medasi
etmechia me party mpanimfo eye MPP emsaka akra bi belly 2 weeks na ye kwa kuyi dio obekura franka na ma party no ti the American say delegates obia nya abotoyem okwa ne ofi se waje na se matuma obeto ama no okotoma na ofi se obetimi atena ho from anopa to 2 o'clock police for be barricade okoto awuram otu wie wapie we no dede no basabasayo sebi unim bitwa enye ho na wu kotwa bi na odi akoye dede wo ho eye intra-party elections ene ye koye nti mechia delegate bi aba me de me a mete ha ya me kasai ya me ye nana tufuo zozua apaja hene ya mete a me kasai die ya me ye MPP ni mapa me ye communicator for MPP ya me be pre communication director forthcoming constituency election ye be ye me makuma mu die delegate mokwa montuma ba umia na dwuma ye pese enum no omu nyina fata omu nyina se enkrofo ye titi omu di 1DC mu ya ye titi sa din di omu bia obeba bia no sa nipa num no omu yi ba ku bia oni hia in fact
erikopoku beba o
na so no de okohe pulse na ye na ono wanya bia ebi ho a 5% 4% anyunya
erikopoku
ono kra de on awe eti those people na make kanu say obi obeba bia nipa num no ye de ba ku hia na and this better from nemom adwuma ne de nipa num ni mu no ye hwe wo mo de a na dwuma ye de wo mo kodi ne de animnyam mu nyansamu just integrity bibia mu ye born at the moment sabre mu de e Bawumia it delegate yesra mu say 2 weeks enye da bia mo kwa montuma Bawumia
okay
na Bawumia 2028 obeji seat no obeji presidential you know ama MPP na MPP aba betoto Ghana yie na turumu ya ye ba idie na otimi yie firi ho etime chia obia liberty etiefo ye chia obia
joso
na ma chia chama swa coordinator ba ko pe ya Bawumia yi na owo Western North be chia no papa na ma chia me party mpanifo delegate obia be chia obia no pai
obia joso chama so amianso so me chia wa no pai ma menko na menkonkoma menua ono so buy for the NDC no akwaba professor doctor tofo nana pejahine ono nko aso mu so kase afa be 75 minutes o de aka 7 nyina papa yopo papa yopo wa for the NDC what is that
nyame admalema
nice one ngunu washe
wote ambapa
ya kwa libro nya bo nwatili yala
omonyo na ka se ye wuri boya ye ti ase ne ngoro bo nyame so mo
thank you
ti adum ne ahye wie ntikuso ya wonte pa
nice one
na se obeti liberty kusure bia wonte pa
adum
so wonte pa
great
ya ngoro ya ma anyo official pa so nza chehwe
official pa na de nyame obre bro nya ya bo yanyi o na wa bro nya
ye wonde ba che
atoa no
atoa yala
afọ ba
na mboni abo na net for
ba bro de chede
se
kampo jumla ka che bi
na me de ye ka ho
na bisa bro nya
poyo ojujo
yes
na me de ye
misale bro nya
ye ka poyo
ka choma chodo no bro nya wade amambi
bro nya ni che be misa
na me misale
be misa
na bisa
ba me ye me kan che bro nya wo che bro nya
na wo amambi
ya wa yo so me wo opposition
na
bro nya ani bi
no opposition akobo ye ndol 2 million 1.8 last year afọ ndo 2.5 iti opposition ne de
wese elile
o do ma mo
ani bi
people do not so ma you be a quarter what iti ya wo ne
iti ale
popoyo mo
da bi me wa ale awi
na me wa boy de wo so ye ka popoyo jujo
etole ako 2.5 popoyo ye ko etole ako 2.5 9 hole boy enu
ni e de wo so ne ye ka
uko ya akoto nam beer 3 bottles na wo se wo no me ye no wo ba ye na aduane no wo ho no wa ndi bi
ma hu ani kura ni
wa hu aduane no
David
adechi yenso wa hu no
adechi se na sei
enkwan no nso sei
me mi ni nkwan ade ache so
I've got to fall. Me no na take that you.
Na okudo wa.
When me kwa ade ache so.
David.
Abia wa he. Me si wala. To follow the journey o. Catch a brass for no change o. We want to follow the trouble alliance so. It is alliance chitro national bar. Na mai bi.
Alliance so awon afementi.
Na yi bia me kan.
No alliance so awon afementi. Nti o fermenti a.
Na me no wait bi da se o.
No o fermenti a.
Hey brother.
Nini.
Brother. Papa yapo.
Oni me.
Wako fa sama ba o. Eh, and then the brand to force you nko ya de ache so.
Yo, family na edru ba bia nya asore sem an duabon so de.
Like how they are jealous.
Kan duabon ya ni mo ba se chinyeje. Afa se cha cha kan ni mo ba se chinyeje ntan kan ka crash ase. And ebe kan se na nasem. Cinema ka so.
Yeah brother.
Anope ma mefa liberty enchia watifo. Menchia omampani the Workaholic MP ene MCE Honorable Kofi Bentafo ene Dominic Jesse afi NDC fo ene Ghana fo yina na minu ka so na dia mesrew ma mfa nkokuma se kakra enu amekọ baba ya last sports stadium mekọhwe ball
okay
Asante region Milo games na start once na me kira de o Sims Senior High School
okay
before some ba se hube Senior High School na mo Sims na enu a me furu oba Western of Menko ho na me call studio no me aka so nkwala no mama ni je afekura na ese ni sukura etata me se na obi o pa bia je nsem ana den obi aba atu se o manyina ye kura nka metehwe na odoso nkwa me nkwala ni danedi o baba ya last post stadium no ama mani age ma memfa Liberty FM so na menchia Senior High School teacher and teaching staff no Miss Gifty Bobi Tewia ono ye headmistress academics no Mr. Sanhina Bankwa me ko se do mu si jeme se room mu e wo ho Kofi Buache se conscious bebere na sa na se dwo mu nyina ho poposi pom nyina na mentimi mbo mu nyina din madam fo ba kon oba na no kam ho na ye counselors e wo school ho no Miss Florence Chi omo nyina ma menchia wo na enura Senior High School omma me hu se ampa kayeso efie ni fie ampa.
Thank you.
Efie ni fie nti enen so ye besan akwa kogina kon no enura Sims e share formena amas ti yeyi wo mo afrum enen so mo san egina kon no ma mensra Yankopon se onka Senior High School ho na menu ya ba kon so eta etie pa se endi e wo na chira no good minds o chira no good minds kwa ni krum se endi ofribos mo so etie Liberty pa ma menchia no san so na teacher Jomes ono so senior comrade ma menchia no sa na me boss chorus usu ansa ma menchia no
nice one but my main free FK24 this naka and some the minority no so asema wo mo eka say o can story na kakra or say the minority in parliament or the minority caucus in parliament has demanded the immediate removal of all teaching and learning materials that include content related to LGBTQ issues as well as any redefinitions of sex, sexuality and gender identity. They have also called for the prompt dismissal of the Director General and the Board Chairman of the National Council for Curricular and Assessment, NACA, due to their failure to exercise proper oversight and their breach of public trust for including LGBTQ contents in textbooks. But on a question, I'm the Mibisa. Those who matter, our education circles, no money. Say, what really the problem is for a mother Ghana on issues like this culturally? FK.
Misa chia obia. Na masa chia popoyopo. Na popoyopo unse na o Sims kra those days na private school. Enti MPP adahunoma. Na yedine ba aban school say be kwa secondary school so ene popoyopo etna microphone chia na they all first na me school KTI
once since 1971 and be government
ba wo say be kwa oba ende MPP aban and ye foul e ma oba say be kwa secondary school but otna microphone chia na obashi MPP ese wo yo bi a uni aye ye o papa uni aye enti no de meka ne se kayazo asemu a wo kan ohun ayro na ganafo o senke ye tinisuo awofo o senke ye tinisuo pa kayazo tetebremu no se wo ko bible mu a na yefre krobi Sodom and Gomorrah sadie we ena ko ba ya Nyankopon trans din ena hu se dabi ade kro we sofo Sodom and Gomorrah afo ye no eye machiwade kese na mayasa ombejai omunyai nyame abofo a omko Sodom and Gomorrah ya omko hu ahwan fie wo mukura koduru ho no na mema asarando ni fie se ahoho no maba no wo mukope omo ene wo mada de na ye dane enchinsie no Lot se onkoyi Lot every Sodom and Gomorrah okoye no abofo ne koye no no mo abesalando lot fie se omo ko pesa abofo no ene wo mada na sisi de ekoso Ghana de NDC ya president mama ene ne nkrofo akofa be wura Ghana ye mu yete ya papa ya sia ye hu ye sremu eniema eko ene ubisa asemo a yes petrol akofom dollar akofom ene obo wompo a petrol akofom dollar akofom inflation akofom ene sabi ukoja onampo a petrol akofom inflation akofom esu ye bottom de and reflecting eniema bram rantie bre wo Ghana hasisi a teacher for nurse for ya omaye adwuma ye ntua wonka omaye adwuma 1 year na ya ma wo only 1 month pay ya ye hunye ye hu ya kodai na de chi ya papa intim fojo MPP Asinof MP o me sole me kamientia o se wa site documenta ya NDC aban president mama aban akofa ba wa shenaka fo any your friend say education directorate amoma printing krata teachers manual say de be say yen kola de na ade no asate ye bia school a pepepe 81st week second week ni omu ye frase de kire o made na sakrata ni mu nsem nyina kire se ene se wo koka gender ye kire kola ne se o fill form na akaba bia ubedura e betwe ho gender no ya nka wo yo ba no anka watwere ho e bia female se wo ye be ma no watwere ho male no ene sa gender no ye kire kola ne se ye ka gender utimi mfa female and male she ho biem na wuna nkasa wa kola no wo hormones wo ridie mu de e kirew ya utimi hu se wo de nyankopon adom wa ma otadua etua wanim ena wa ma ema die enso etale ho but emomu no wo hwe wo ne ye ene wo hwe wo wa ho kekam sade wusi ye oniema na ewo mu se wo tadua ba wo de wo se wo yo ba na oba nso se sabi ade na tale ho no wo hwe wo ankasa wo hormones oniema wo mu no ya wo nyina ba no the way ya usi ehunhu se de usi tie no ewo mu se ade ne bo ho se wo yo ba de ba wo de wo ho a wo ye bema eti wo fill form na wo yo ba na e kire ho gender wo wo mu ne yo na wo ye na wo yo ba ba obetimi a kire ho se wo ye bema mbra bi antiaw wo so wo ye bema na wo ne yo na wo umu niema o jeans no ya ewo umu no ohwe na se hu se wo ye bema na ye kire ho gender wo betimi a kire ho se wo ye oba ana se wo ye bema wo ye oba wei ene yakofa ba na o ma sa ka kire enkire nkola ne se wo mo be kire o mo ye se sex orientation yen kire kola no se de ya ebesi afa ho se wo ye bema wo betimi afa onyonko bema wo ye oba wo betimi afa onyonko ba ene NDC fo ene president mama akofa beto Ghana fo so na asofo a wo man mu abosomfo a wo man mu sabi wei eye chiwade efris eye nyankopon po chiwade eti na mede Sodom and Gomorrah eye example no eti se oman mu fo ansole antia na so mo smoga adiwe eneme no kasai first week o ma kire nkola no second week ya ewo mu ye ho aba asem ye redraw document no yes ya no draw ba ya no draw asem no MP ntim fodwo eko yi asem ni pie ya pe na omo so omo yi afiri online ba books no de teacher manual na omo hweso fa nkire kola na de ne de ewom afena naka force eye oversight etina APP minority ni say naka director yenyina di na education service director so yenyina di the otinaka board so no yenyina di because musudie wei musua de kakraka wei yemu yedware ye ho ye hu ye selim na okofa nyankopon busudie nyankopon achiwade we de enye APP achiwade enye DC achiwade e onyankopon achiwade ye nyame bo as oso ni asase o chiri saade wei no wonder ye papa president because when na echo ni nyina no sabio trumu na baya wo mo de ye campaign TMPP say na nado on sign na nado mpo aye trumu ene wo mo na akofa ni document abeto ho say ye nchire ye ma secondary school fo no ye fa nchire wo mo say ye frɛ no edade see your friend BB and health PE physical education and health sana book no echere eno mo krutie niema ehu niema boman niema de yare be toni paso eno mo krutie ni nyina gum se wo pe ho a wo hwe mo nsoma wo mu na utimi ka se wo your bumper utimi ka se wo ye bema gender osi e fa se gender orientation na ukokuku busudi wei na president mama ne ndisi mu pese nyankopon be shiga na se ana mu pese nyankopon he no wonder okuje to blakwa eko Geneva ya ye koto aba sesa gender we no ye solinti ya okuje to koye no o seni ne ho o se saban on to be wa seni ne ho ye president mama o chiro ni book bi ya ye frɛ no my first coup d'etat ya o kan wo mu se ono ultimate take decision na o te basket so I tea free gbagbagbagba de ne ko share amana bi mu sa book no all launch no na dafo ba ko pe ya obeto book no first na oye trumu ni ye frɛ no ka so obeka me din na me refi na obebo me a ono na beto book ni first e wo Ghana ha ya obia ni no oye renown homosexual ne nyonko pa wo ne ko nakra na enti no odi mu ani se ono okọ school e wo UK na sadie we eye chiwade e wo UK ba youth no any system no e de pressure e koto oman ni so no oman no ene omagiatu ya ebisisi a ye hu bi wo social media da bia enti no Ghana ebe depend pressure na timamufuo no e de beba se pressure na timamufuo no de beba no se abaya wo ti so no wo ya hu hwienye yie no mo putu pressure wo ya hu hwienye yie bi no it is bound to happen no de oka ya ni and this for gina so at the bonana kufu adu tri so sa ene where the enya it is bound to happen no where the reality where the ehonkrata aba say ye fa kire ye ma no because enya chiwade o ma mu biem ene ya twa honkrata se nkola no ye kire wo mo se de oba ne oba beda se de bema ne bema beda ene wo yo ba wow free will utimi ka se wo ye bema wow free will anya chiwade utimi ka se wo ye oba eti ne me kan se sadie wo ya president mama ene NDC fo edi be wuro man mu no asofo mo sole o asofo Pentecost fo Anglican fo assemblies miama sole ameko assemblies fo mo sole o Christian Council mo sole o traditionalists fo mo sole o ya hwe ni nyina ya sole ntia.
Thank you. Papa Yapo.
Mini ka eso.
Yes sir.
Mensa enche obiom. Na edru baby na se ya ba ha ya na nsem wo ha sinema ka eso se ya fa anye sere ya ayo munye de me onse ya ba na se yenya akonya se de me wo fa me papa na netufo wakase ya Ghana for 80 na mini ka eso mpanifo kura se so omo na yesu omo mpanifo se de okwose ayie no se no mo mkumba ifo ana wanso kasa nyina asamo hari na drusu kaye no menu ka so ayem topic no hari na drusu being education minister no o kan de wanso se anka wono de sa politics ebeba we mu a obeka kire Ghana fo eni MPP fo asebo mo ye dede no se book no ye twere na wonye minister mpo na NDC nya de ben na ye ma ben subo no mre bebo NDC LGBTQ+ ya wokan yamna ka so nya ni na ne de ya ma yasam menya ka so wansa me papa na mo fatufo kasa no wo pa mane ma o different between sex and gender sisia se kasa sex ye de gender so ye de
se bi chire mo
wan chire mo
mi chire
ya ina kwa asole okay is it Genesis chapter 127 said the yakopon ebo ade on account of Genesis chapter 127 and the Genesis chapter 2 so ebe kan ye mina kan ye so say yakopon ema na hoto be ma so yin mfempa ade ebo oba said the Genesis chapter 127 ka say na yakopon ebo nipa mienu na oba ne be ma na obo mo tie yin na with Christian doctrine ebibia ne yin agitum say eye oba ene be ma ena yakopon ye debe ebo wo mo mina kan ye so wo pa adwuma bia documents bia ye de be ma wono ida say ye je personal identity personal information mina ka so ada say be ma o gender ana sex anya sanete fonts be na ye de ni mienu aba so pan mu ohu bida mina ka so sa document ohu bida personal credentials say be be page man na ma ye bisa based on personal credentials wo hu quorum access e wo agenda so san wo ha feel ni mienu ben other says an agenda and
correct
sa curriculum no me as a psychology student based on that you ben yim obi on yesu ani pa copy obewu the chromosome abnormalities in the genes the biological, the psychosocial, the cognitive development, all these things may be different. There are 5 developmental stages a different individual. If so start one starting from the oral, the anal, the forensic, say the be ni pamuno, there are some stagnants a touch when ni paduanuma e ma baby AC. So gender is talking about how the individual within the internal affection, how you feel, how you perceive to see. Sex is what? The biological feature, the physical biological feature of individual. Either you have penis or vagina. Gender is talking about the genes. The genes is talking about the biological aspect. The psychosocial ones say, how do I see myself? That is why baby obi kura your ba when Felicia say be a bema no ba na ne we mu no obi mpe ye nipa yetimi obi kura so ye bema but in a year based on our culture values any normal moral continuity no obi ye ne ye bia yetimi kura fro obi so ekwadwo basia oba o bema yetimi ka se ekwadwo basia na nyesa before say even local context ye be ka se bema ye kwadwo basia no what are they trying to mean? No one will say that any panel is exhibiting some kind of what woman what or ladies or features. Tia so do a kojobesia when nante when casa. So gender is talking about the inwardly, it's not outside, but sex is talking about the physical sexual determination of individual no. Inti you said you more cano book ya cano curriculum na ba ye no. And secondary school this year 2026 for actually was in India. Wouldn't say all the educational system no atwam
so betimi asa ko secondary school bi mu amia kaya so ye register we nye ada so be kwa kwatwe BEC and I be start to secondary school form 1 based on the new curriculum people for the buy mina kaya so curriculum ben ye design first na na e school and ye first syllabus no before say on members say syllabus no once ye share syllabus no say this is baby a person dey Ghana education ko say the be ya human capital no ye sua ade no e dey be akoni say tell people for developing all this curriculum no enti no mo se say akwa say you are moving from new curriculum and ye ja tetede no new curriculum na dey buy ti document no mo print na ho busu ni ho and na ye software na ban na ba no mo print niam mo ye gu ho no na ye hu say physical education for a teacher manual no say na ewo omo page bia mo de so be boy this say and this na e be kire enkwala member ne man how mina kayeso curriculum na develop ye and this year about time ben it be sound say and people for the new curriculum na ba ye no you see assessment from syllabus to curriculum no when na design new curriculum no the ma Ghana education tian this year bana se yenya books no na se yakọ print na se yakọ page bi say to say trimopona na people for omde ko parliament say yenyintum jubri asokura Kama Harris eba kura ye penti LGBTQ+ e penti kura wa Ghana no ana na people for this shema ye mkwala ni be suo no mo hu se ka se gender enkyere se bia wo ye oba na se be ma na emum se de unipa dua no su no se de munya ka so wutimi aye de be efiri atenka wunya wo mu no ena ye gender no ena sense no ye biological features se be wo kote ana se wo atwa no ena ye sense no
ufra ntuma kakra
Batman say ezo o some the Serbia so even me psychology no you if it is says so okay say yes no ntina e du ba bia nkwala ne nka ne ma bi nkyere wo mo ya say de akata so aka kyere oba o mo say akosu akuma into okona say oka akosu akuma it doesn't ntina no mo de wenti e ma mo fa sombo mo party no me ka so ntina Haruna Disu e ka kyere Ghana for say enya manyo say asem ne yeka buku no mo print ena how mo hu say ewo mu ni ti Ghana for say we no emwa ya Ghana ya culture any system say the city a MPP 4 person and parliament ejitu mo MPP follow ya sekura dey asem we court so mo defend adet na mmia ka so no mo ya ka say we nya no enyo mo na yes na e defend say obi a on fundamental human right ano mo anka na say no mo fundamental human right nti MPP 4 say yanyi we ntum wo Ghana na se ka se gender e kire se send ebi na ka yeso wona hote ho no se de wo hu atenka city e no ena mo hu de wo city a MPP for say ye na buku no curriculum no ina ka so te Ghana ho na asesa curriculum no ya tete se na wo so Ghana education ya beto ye wo ho no abambe na abeto agu na se ya twere wasi wi am ka yeso de ye mu ye sua bi o secondary school no enya adwuma biem asa oba wo ya wo funa so oba betimi asa ko secondary school a gire okọ SHS1 no.
But Reverend Tim Fojo, MP, is saying, say, the NPP printed year 1 of the curriculum, and then NDC printed year 2, which includes this very content we are talking about.
Guys,
yes, sir.
My pacho education system na ye no, and a governance no.
Yes.
Continuous, and I say continuous. Into a adena bano year 1 no, omo mo print ye no. Me secondary school year 1 o mo print book na ya se curriculum no aban kasa na ka aban ya ma wo mo no aban de opera ko basic de na wa sa aban no kura edeba no private entities bi no mo twere ho books edema curriculum na aban na design so de e ma basic schools no e ma sa ho assemble kura say GS o man kasa fa book ma kura o mo nya bi mai ankwan kura de o mo atwe no so mo nyintum it one say eno mo de tablet every secondary school pala no it says manual no e wo so na yam print books no it one so mo ya de na to ho me na ka so when na wo be si dan ya wontwa foundation
ti na sa teacher manual we no e wo tablet no so
e wo system nim ba say ya print man kola na nya access to we no enim one say teacher for obi be friend say bibi your friend PSC professional learning community new curriculum na aba no a different from the old system. The teacher from there yesua
to assimilate to the curriculum na omode amman kwala anu ntina teachers for no man no anu ene ya print because on say system bia edu a ya print yawa anu wọ́n say MPP time no mo want to print yawa anu e wo ho because mo design dey no was software so into PLC no obibi afra no SPLC subject based curriculum no social studies for economics for ti yawa anu ya print ma wo mo teacher for no man no anu but kwala no dey wo mo machine so
because as we make kaipa
wo machine so enti yakwa year 2 na say teacher for some be PLC na ye na say the teacher for be abreast to the new changes education system no wo mo de ba ye no e was so mo sam printed term year 2 manual e be teacher for me yesua say the yakwa ankora ni bie e wo mo software na ya create am mo e water tablet na e de am mo so no wo teacher no nkoto papa so class sanet here teachers for your printing year 1 near sua because you are new into that system to be self secondary school be basic you be a friend PLC and now plenty abana se ko for bibia ba say Ghana for ohun your culture no eyira into ko school free bibi me so me counselor the counselor say your school no ya aduma na say bibia and so friend VLC value learning community omo the book bia ba no so ye wa yi hu wa friend essential values in Ghanaian youth actually the culture of Ghana said the collaborated sibu ade pani eso niema yenye wa said niema enti book na ndisi for print no nga kayaso e wa sister num enti teacher man no ya ade e wo enti won say afina kwa wiye ya move to second year ti the one kwala no tablet ne so no e wa say teacher for no so yenya ho handbook won say ya kwa software enti kwala no social studies ni we mu kura no private entity and no more printed soft hard copy and no more ton but abanya ka say GS abanya ka say ka so dey say we buy no bisa so print mu busa and the teacher man no more dey say the teacher for no be sua o PSC no to on say do baby and say ni etu allowance bi am teacher for say professional development year na ye tu allowance no intend ye ko PSC no professional learning community ti ye ko sua curriculum no MPP abanse san no said the beya what system na ko invest question ya no it doesn't assimilate to the new one so what's omode won niam eba akade ma teacher for ni sua na akora ne kwa ono so bie ne tablet no so a wahu na teacher no ankoto ampapa so ti se minya kan so ya teacher for awie year 1 year 2 ya print ma wo ti se akwa print year 2 manual no na se wo wa intiminya kan so bi san MPP aban no no mu wagidie se sa curriculum no mo de ba na wanyi apɛ ya twama na sasan education a long term project inti bibia curriculum bia syllabus bia mnya kaya so one syllabus ya define ya enya from form 1 to form 3 da ya define afi we say syllabus we NC year 1 na year 2 ya kwadwe ho aya foforo what be da te ya de omo ya da ho na ya print teacher manual for the PLC and a man for mo came mu say say physical education for health and sakoro na ye kanu ewom ko primary school curriculum na me kira first na me kira 2019 2018 na we ebaye sex education na ni primary diem eni yakoya ye ko hu ya ye hu dede sa omu giant omu print book so ama enti na ha do so say sanka obeka politics asema tamina ka yeso obeka se ne tam na sa book nkura ni ho ti sanka ye no kura se NDC append kwa ni ehua de okwasi aye nipo na ma yekumba ifo na that is not case NDC for ye kan ye so eno so say ya meche ntina na MPP abampese ye gitum na eye mra wo Ghana na Ghana fo nyina nya debe empre so say ya chiwade e bo man no na MPP wo mo ya ade na so mu hu boto anu mfa kura nhye mu a na mo be ebrem game because until education system na say obeka am the secondary school been to basic curriculum ba ye what setec ye be training no social studies for mo teacher manual ya wa na twam nti adugu ho me aka so atma say we nka me ba ko nka metimi afa bi abro sa ta na me kire me wasem na me kire social studies ya one teacher manual no me will be ho nka metimi de akire ti akoyi atu no I was a teachers ni nya manual aya nso ye be sua because kwala no tablet nti documents ni na de make won kwala no tablet na MPP abande be ro mu no na kin software no ayinum do me sua bia wo so nti ye teachers ni nso one say new 10 ente said ye kwa clinical education ya de ye university no ti aban ne na de aba eno mo ayi hu nkrofo mo akọ hu workshop say ade se na aban ne de aba teacher for no mo ansua mo ntimi nten kwala na system na ase ti said the aban ne person new curriculum ye komu no ti ho manual no omo ye accredited software no ti say ye sua teacher for sua wi on say omo ntimi print teacher for de ni mom
year 1 year 2 year 3 emom te say moye year 1 man musua wia na ya Sunday 2 na de be aba ti say 2 ni atwam a ye di year 3 man no so be de be ebeba any ya printing year 2 de any ya hu say this particular page say na course am say and this for na dia kwoshem.
All right.
And this develop curriculum.
Mama now I say popoyopo. Thank you. Mate. Ma memfa sidam fa ma Rock East Guest House. Your accommodation at the mount. Your restaurant, your bar, your conference hall. Ope baby so you ti a hotel your wodi nyina e wo hodom. Enti ana pay me come for Rock East Guest House. Ayebo no so edit da form. Into occasion be able to the energy na hwa na ewo Rock East 24/7 the more security was spacious car park ube hunu ewo anwem kwantempo no so ye ben Generic Block Factory Freyen 0540 536618 Rock East Guest House where every day is a great day anapay ebia na ahontutu sasabro ene esisiyare ene afi general body pains no when twi na memene wo de ointment no etwitwi no na wo memene capsules no na capsules no ye duro bia enye ma oba wafa afuru abofra onom no fo oba wafa afuru so abofra twa no fo ano no sa duri misra menum bi abofra so onya mfie dumienu so enize onom bi yesan ewo Dawood herbal mixture malaria wanuma to ontubeni die ene ne ulcer ha wonya duro bi betu no nyina asma ho atɔ ya would know be our shops BM Freya in 0244885437 and 0201681717 Dawood Herbal Hospital ewo asaran so ehodom ena enroy nyina efri enti so bomodina kokwaje wodie ansa na meko wo fatofo hodom memfa sidam fa ma Smart Effort College school ewo soma krum ewo sehwiyo so hase ya wo mo eje mofra ama wo mo ntete efri crèche from 1 year kokosi class 4 abofranso kokotro wasi exam a ononso home economics visual arts and afi technical subjects ni enyinara yewo edan hormo de ma omo mfichichiri ne benche eba hostel asana making into free school in penning for 0541 639371 and 0243112806 Smart Effort College also just be smart and we will put in our effort. Yeah, over to 4.
Oh, Kayasu. Popoyopo. Wadi vieti wa hane sisi ya. Ose, nenkasa emu no. Ose, akulabi wakula ya una ya friend kwa joba siya. Eti wanua determine sadie. Ese oye ewo gender mwa. Na ese wajie nwatu. For nekasa emu no. Se, akulabi wa ni homos. Ni homos ne eja ona echira de secondary school.
Wankasa akwala na jatu.
Ose
bana
o chere gender no o chere gender eti gender mu na o chere no se akola bi ho kura ye friend kwadwo basia eti akola ye friend kwadwo basia no ono ahwe ne ho na o fill form ne etwe ho gender obetia kase oye bema ba oye kwadwo basia nti obeka se oye female
I don't know na wo de hye ho
tabi wo no according to the okika no meba akoko tie de oka na sa ne tie
na wona wo tie de wo wadwen a wo fa wo ne
sana oka sawan kase eno ose akola obi ho aye wo na ne menti se omokocho sa de na aye den you see so sa akola de ye kwadwo basia na oye kwadwo dia na ye bisa no gender otimi tro female ye kase sex sabi bema no oba koda yen kasa odna okoye anamene na koye sex
menye sure say ya the forms ama self feeling ya tro sex obeka say me ye bema me oba me ne oba kwa koda obeka say we ye bema obeka say
okaye no asema okaye no o se nipa no ne niema ewo ne mu no ana nipa na be cheke hu se wo ye oba na wo ye bema wakeka jo ne ko se o trade nti obobo niema bebre eti se nipa no wono hwe na widiem na se ne homos ne niema ewo ne mu no se kire se wo ye oba but o ye obema obeti atwero ho se wo ye oba print year 1 waje atum se sia se year 1 no omo print ye no atwam omo wi o na yawa na ye de kire nkola de no yeti we bi wo mu ana yeti sex orientation wo mu ana yeti gender de ade ya omo kaka bebrebe yeti bi wo mu omo kire omo sa ne ma no wo mu yawa no sa manu na omo de kire ade no na sa turumu nsem yi LGBT nsem aye kan na bi wo mu de atwamu no de atwamu sisi ya ono akasa kasa enu atwam ye tim fojo kasa omo printi yawa no na ebi wo mu you see amiye o sabi ko ade we na eba no aye musudi o ena eni ba bia o Ghana ha se MPP4 prese omo koje turumu atum ebi si Ghana ha. There's no record say aye MPP4 the big parliament say yanji tum say yanji turumu ntum but wait there mono na yeka salabusa yeka curriculum na o say MPP4 person omo ya na abefo no because na wi ase nyina asesa etini amadada no bebre wo ho a wo say yetimi sesam eti se curriculum na MPP de bae no ehina sa LGBT semsem ya enye ya papa ntim fojo a anka modia ya manu ade be kire nkola no ewo mu wo hin wo ye teacher ni o no ena mo printing ne ho abasem now the enfan say the okay MPP4 na printing yempo a ya to obati MPP o ma frabam mo se mu be reset Ghana mu be reset Ghana eti se bibisa se MPP4 printing ade na naka ahwem na Ghana Education Service ahwem na se ade wo eye wudisem a ebebo man Ghana ma anyintum eti se de sisi ya sole etia na mu reset Ghana no aka mutimi hin free se wo de ye fan anyintum se MPP na printing ye ya musimu be reset Ghana and then university school pa ye de crofo din ato so no ene musimu be mu yi ni nyina afri ho Apente University of the Akente University musi mu yi ni nyina afri ho etiro sade we de name change no ene mutimi ye o ba se me de se de o ka no me ngintum ba me ji atum mpo se ya MPP4 na print ya mu pa ya mu ye mu resetting no mo hu se ade we enye na MPP4 na de abantu we pa de enye nti yenyi film na se enye ntim fojo na korezi alama akade we ye de akire first week ni kura wie second week omo de kire enti no anka ye ne ye print ya aye date na ntim fojo o sai atwa no ho abeka se niema na mo print ya mo de ban ehu abebo man no enti de o kaka no kali Colombia no asa turumu nsem ya ye kan ewom.
All right, for me that's Papa ya
Papa.
Yes sir.
On say MPP4 I tribute to say ATV2 price ya ye enti sa page na ho na ndisi e de ba ohun because see a omunya bibia mfa mo abenachi ti o so mo de no mo adwin once entim fojo no o ka so mo print yawa no nne ka so once onu nim say e wo page ha ye nti no once on print book na ho na di kan kan ye o mo ye book no aka mo timi change nne ka so right syllabus ya syllabus near print book a page bi won say page bi won say book ni nyina year 2 no won say wantimi anko kan ba bia say year 2 book ni na mistake but page bi de wo ho no enye
say bia e ho no
me kira say ntim fojo no omo mo ye won say ka say bia sa course we book ni nyina mistake e de ben abam bon se ntim fojo atimi ha like say sa book no page bia bibi hye ho a ombeka say omo pesa Ghana nkwala ye de ben esua because some no ye software bibia nti ohun say NDC fo aka so mo print year 2 ne de oh ene ma memfa mna bon ten say page say document bi wo ho a emwa wo man no adent na menu aka yeso anye wo bia wa Ghana sentim fojo ene ohun say ade ne say year 2 book na wo physical education ho no page say no paragraph bi wo ho a emwa wo man no
e bia no pekin kan
me na me chia so mo ye yentu anim page no ate say ya NDC manifesto na say NDC ni ko ka say ko hwa bia page say ya omuno mo ya yenti no mo atibutu hu say chapter we paragraph one say nyabuku ni nyina o ba paragraph bi me no akaya so me sa de e man ne sa homosexual ni we ya me no atufo ka no Ghana fo ye nsoso ba say ya kire Ghana fo emiye the difference between sex and gender identity kan nye ha me ya counselor I'm a professional counselor me can say me akaya so woni me say yentimi hwe obi anim determine ono sex mpo ya hwe obi anim what the physical look determine the sex me akaya so won say Ghana fo ye nim sa me oba no officer me hu sem me akaya so wo memma bibi appearance na chere so ye bema but me ntimi start cancel session e wa brekwa me ma wo wonto wa no mutu ese wo oba na say bema nsa na ya start cancel session simply because I'm a psychologist, I'm a professional counselor. We know the features of individuals. We be in the one chair, ya the Sadia neighbor, say the bay no aqua parliament, and I can say, and this is for ever born man to say more. Now must say fundamental human rights. And now more pray, I'm required to parliament, and ye debate one now Ghana 4 and 4 of 4. I can say, I know the Chiwadia, Minakaso, a born mine, now see a difference between sex and gender, and come from Sobia Debe, any. Young people for na attribute to say per se this ade neba me no ka so wo back school na so no ka sentiment define what gender means, what sex means me no ka so wo jiri say okwa brochira akora okwa school mean differentiate those things no me no ka so you can't growth you have 3 stages of growth. You have the mental growth, you have the physical and the emotional. Before say me catch obi anyin no but ya bibe mo ya catch obi anyin say the tenten ne gram city and I said the nfie a wanya city anameboa but that is not the case. We have so many me na so ya ti we say yakopon ebo ba na be ma but on say development chema 20 mi bam anameboa the 70 mi say yakopon wo se wo bo ba na be ma no bible no ka say yakopon bo sebe obi anani afra wo nipa yakopon bo be ma no oba no ka say sebe ma bo kwata na ba fa wo yakopon ka so bo be ma no oba no wo bo obi say we dia me bo no yakopon ammo ne nsanka ne ho but etimi wo obi sebe na nsani ho etimi wo obi na ne nani ho developmental what changes bia true birth no error so ye de be ebam tini ase ye ebi mu a enya accident no but yes you call them physically what challenge yakopon na adwum so oboy said your boy say ni sunu ne ban so no said that cause yet but development no awo mu won say ya wanempo na abrofo no de bibi ba akra say ne yetimi twa scan first na nwa ka so what Ghana na say wonyuma betimi twa scan hu say me wo ba na say be magire awo na akra na ba but na kwetimi say woda sen obi an padua no kra ba bia de be atochima developmentally no sa akra ni develop a incessant mi eba e wa wo brem nti betimi awo bi kram na ka so na aso ne de akra anya de be and develop anameboa nti ano sa eno so be ka na sen obi a mistakenly in developmental stages no anka hu so ye bema enso ne sex base no na okonya maade no so how do you call all these things into apart from even these people no say yakopon ebo oba ne bema ye kasa sebe kotia ne twa no into hu obi a wo bema ebi ono so don't to have transgenders and those people there what must it it's not about say one say at the end by
book no almost on my withdraw. But he is rather educated. He is rather educated. On Casa,
he is defending.
On Casa,
look at also more counselor. Say on paper the ho. No I'm running one. I'm an who say kotie the tree or sabi. On who ni pano ni gender. Sanoka. Also a counselor. Now obi pa na office. Na so I'm running one chilena. Sabi on who say ya mad de na tal. Sanoka.
Me ka say you be running ho. Me say me na kaya so what na say emani miskotume tio emani miskotume wo nyale
ni atofo me ba popo ni atofo kan se pe ni awo kaaye no ono e de ye nyina so de aka asem na opese o kire se wo se obi ba wo ho pe wo wanu masem no anu ntiri pa an ro do ho wo hu se oye be ma na so
okay secretary so obi ban office na se wan ro ne ho a hu so your ba na be ma okay secretary yamo ni enti okay
enti me say
you see
Who you learn to for Emma wo ji to mu kura say yemfo be face here and determine sex.
Yes all run home.
And yes all run home. Me say before say me as counselor no me no be take counsel session no. E what say me be say ono sex mo no. E ka say we oba na say be man sa. Me nka say wo onufo a wo share oba ta de to honti no. Na me ma dwi mu no. Na ma classify ne say obi onufo ye dey. You see obi onufo yeti obi onufo pie ha mo ga fefefe ya aye obi produce ya akamewa na ma me bai o pie ha na me hwe ni din so ye be ma me na tufo content of
sisi ya
ye bet me afa oba ni be ma bi aja wa be ma ni onufo sin oba.
Oh, don't defend this.
That is not your profession. You don't know what them share baby.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Me what I'm saying, you know, the intellectuals and the those people they know what I'm saying. Say me want me determine will be ne sales emma no je obisa no enti dey document admit now obi the forms my even hospital ni we no doctors wo ho plan one ma determine
o correct passport o dey
and no mumma wa ka say o determine
o dey concrete
we na ka so and me tell say me I've been trained to tell say ye no ye determine obi say asema no
o ma wa o kire
we na ka so say me ba office wo hu na me wo me say bia me say be ma wo ba kura wo no anka nsa so wo ba wonu so e be ma da
ebi wo
anti ya ka de sua de me miskotu me say o mo yi afrum based on the anti mo yi afrum no me say asem de anti ama asem no say MPP fo amfa kwapa na say LBGT plus no ya nyintu mu a ana ni we no assimilate a wo ana ma ye yi we frum no
wo de ko hin say LGBT ya nyintu
Ghana for me say we want de buy
you are talking, so how do I also talk?
Educate him.
How do I also talk?
Why say me born people dey educate me?
No.
Entertain Ghana say we e na beto dwa sata mo me see we no kama how say buy painting Jubilee House ho o mo ka lese na ho na wo ho me say me dey see enti South
Africa for member me no feel o ma no e wo independent country na ya mo ya ba
enti
all right
sadia ne ba
form you no feel o ma
ya bo ho ya hu dede no ani buku e ba ya no ya ka se bibi asimne tutu bibi a ade ani bibi ekọ na krana na se ne eno ya de be ekobom ti Ghana for be ka se ani ewe na no mo pese ya gitu mo Ghana no eno ya
enti are you for the withdrawal?
Withdrawal, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Dem ka wat ma se
mama fancy e wa ha se na memra na yen konsem foforo eso FK24 will have for the MPP and a Popoyo opens will have for the NDC. Memphis down a pen from the Bros Phones service. One more essay, so phone papa a credit for each more master. The Bros Phones service, ego iPhone, Samsung, Nokia, or more laptops are holding in Ibin. So say a phone glass, phone protectors, phone covers, any phone power banks. You will in Nabi. We be one of the Bros Phone service, I will do say. Boada kabro senimu esoro ena wo from 0550 981107 and 0543 531524. The Bros Phone service was a quality phones and accessories. Saran so ena peske essay fa o yade ni na bedan omo na omo enhwe na omo ntu asema ho ento wo de yakoma yade wo de diabetes sebe obema na so na pese ye kese oba wo so woto ena eswa ana eso na opese ye de kama e de mound ya don't worry for any extra we have no so opese wonya flat tummy for any extra peske stretch marks ajo already aboso bra ye behwe ye ma nyina atumi afro ma ho ato emfa ho ene yare a ehawo ebia na wo de na ntumi amoso for any extra mu ewo mpomam peske ewo ho wo mo any Church of Pentecost ena edi enumhwe obetumi afre peske ewo 0530 122 500 and 0268 477 660. Remfise ensuo ya de nyina ensuo ema nkwa intana pepe ensuo no na wo pensuo so a just don't drink any water but drink density natural mineral water eno and American for the 500ml sachet and your 19.5 liter bottles no ebi density natural mineral water. Jumede bia wudi ebe here nso wase no just give us a call 0596604743 and 0208466256 ube huni yaso ye ewo Tanoso number 27 New Rich Tanoso main road in ka ho asemi Food and Drugs Authority approve omaji yatum anapay Recov group of companies SA Queen Elizabeth Hotel yabie enti for ho wona bra na wo mepe baabi enna environment ne kama and they good so the ho no ebekọ ho enti for mo ekọ Queen Elizabeth Hotel. There was spacious car park ewo ho 24/7 security ewo ho rom ni abedie ni abenom ni abeda ne nyina na abuso ewo Queen Elizabeth Hotel anapai kwe nakobuku reservation na mesan aka wo say Queen Elizabeth Supermarket yewo a wholesale branch and yewo a retail branch. Wholesale branch no ewo GPRTU station honoma bia sa hwiyo so ana boa taxi rank no ewo no honoma yewo ho ye ben upper Amenfi Rural Bank in nchen ho a saranso na Queen Elizabeth Supermarket yewo retail branch no ewo upper Amenfi Rural Bank no nachi. Recover Construction and Trading yes anything construction hwehwe yen se wo pese wo si wo dan na obehia cement plumbing materials roofing sheets bibia fa edansi won se tiles ahodo nyina no ye wo bi ewo Recover Construction and Trading ya so ewo tano so ye wo bi ewo penakrom anwem ye wo bi wo takwa na ye wo bi nso ewo Kestown Junction freyen 0244 878466 and 0534 212702 Yamko and some fufrumo and ne anapai. And none pay a consent fufrumo is yard in ever to gain an say. Fool, ye sign abba abetisu ebib. Na fool born is yard ye a coffum cra. But somebody will say we a good news for the NDC and Mother Ghana. Some also say otherwise. But ma minfen free a popo na minti ono so adwenche assembly is John Muhammad doing a magic and I say lack eda abayno ababeshia fuel zia petrol diesel and LPG prices to drop again between 1.26% to 2.30%. Okay. Popo
me de me ka se ene tete no na woka asembia na waka ede ben waka ede wo ho adi. There is tomorrow. So for the sake of tomorrow, what do you do today?
You do the right thing.
That is it. So you always have been saying, say, future. What is future? Future is unknown. Presence is what matters most. So what you want to be tomorrow depends on what you do today.
Today, good.
See, the obeduano.
Yes.
Na mkase me mama yo say meye no. Men kasem bi say obedu obi atem be kakase bi. Ebedu mlebi no. Na o san ka me san konkrofo anim na me kokase bi o monto me so aba. Na de me kan ye na me san ekotwe san ma pa chew. Ebe say me integrity. Ti me policy na meye no men ka eye ndisi na sa de na ya. Enye mo ani nyina me so nse me minim se ha mo wuntimi me ka asem kura ma o mfa ho ko ana meboa ti ade na ya eye na yale bi wo ha nya ka so eye nya yafunu yale eni yale ko to mo se wonu obi da ho na se ne yafunu ye ne ya na se wanka nkyere wa na se wonya nkyenya wo munamuna wonim se na afoforo bi kura na wa ye de ben wo sunya ase wani hu ade de se obi atimi ye de ben ehu ti abanya yaka na eduru ba bia wo se me na to form de bibi ebe sankam nanka wo mo age Ghana for attention no na enye yie because nyame na wo se me ka tro sa ban papa ba enye ye NDC for na beka say we have the men now you are listed 95 people say these are the men the Ghana bekobo sha asase so ne ka say talk is cheap ti yase say what the one no edonwura ebi nwo then this for ka kire Ghana fo no Ghana eno ne ye hu adwuma no ti nyame na wasa meka Ghana fo na hu ti memete ya na meka kro nso mo se akokọ sa kire akoroma akora enye ne fe ti me aka so me ba ha me ye ndc ni no na ka fu MPP time na 1 liter 17 cedis no na se ne ye ba na nkan ye tu even 19 cities a me na kai so anka me nkopɛ ba bi mfa nhyɛ ana so ya wa asem menya sa adwuma no te se wo hwa Ghana nse se fuwe ekɔ pɛ ha Ghana nyina se fuwe ba fom a wonya sika wo botom kura na wo tinka se abrabɔ ni mu niam bi akɔfom kwade obekɔkɔ fa de oba bi eboa ebegye no sentuade a obetua e ma de eboa kora timi ye de ben ekɔ so bebre na se ba fom ya nua ka so enye ba ade ni nyina se ahoto be ba kora na nua ka so enye ni nyina cause abato aye to no isaba social contract aban no ebeka kira manfo enti obi akoto aba nua ka so obi ade enti ode to aba o to bu ade enti obeto aba no e na aban na anya obe disappointed enti me de ade enti a na mo gidie wandi si aban mu de Ghana fo nya gidie e wandi si aban mu a mo to aba bum e ma yen a man pipifo every potosa na nuna ka so Ghana fo ne NDC fo a sebe MPP fo kan ye ho a yebu o man na o man ye de ya no o munum se de o man no akodi nsa emu ye o mo da na o mo ada ti fu esa aba fo ma is good news for the country nya menko a ko sebe nya NDC fo nkwa ne to fu obi o yati mamuni Ghana ne MPP fo to bi yenso ye to bi ti enye ye ntina aban ne ye ba NDC aban ne se o man muni nyina agbo se wo ba e ma setena mu ayede oba ma hoto ayede be aba ma yen se fuwe e ko form a it's good news for the country na aban no so nhye o mo de agu akwan mu a saa ne ma na e ko form no o mo ma tirimu de ene sabi ahoma so e ana sabi dwe se de eduru mle bi ebi ba MPP fo afamu a e magana fo ewura efuro mu a o mo ne ma ginsam a o mo de Ghana e koto amremu anyame adom NDC eyi apien kakran no ma sa subani bi emo mumu oma niam mo de ato ema amani mu ayesa no entena ho na nhyehye no enkoso na Ghana fo e ho ntoyen se de na ye hwehwe a ampa afeba ko a yedi no Ghana fo nya na edi ho adanse Ghana fo nkasa na abun kompo they have just opposed, they have compared and they have contrast and they have seen the difference between MPP and NDC.
Me that's it. FK.
Yeah, Kazu. Me papa poyo pochew. O ye teacher ni ya o kire nkola de. Nti obetena ha. Na se o ka figures a o ma the accurate figures because o ye teacher ni tama 25
last year
2014 yeah ye be wura
2014
2014
okay
yeah ye be wura 2017 7th 2025 7th January
dabi
me say 2024 December 7th yeah ye to aba
so ka 2014
2024 yeah ye to aba
okay
yeah ye hand over and yeah 7th January 2025 na fuwa na aye 14 CDs or 17 opa onko check it na fuwa na aye 14 etuwe teacher
semetie ni year or say e call ya akoduru
or say MPP for man na ye turn 17 etinam say oma accurate figures
but MPP free akonya so na
MPP free akonya so na fuwa na aye 14
correct
adentina all mention 14 no no mention 17
meteo
etina meka so we teacher ni ntia ya oma accurate figure
ya to 17 pass ya ntoda
ye fra bam na ye 14
ena me say ni ye to ne sen
na ye 14
yankwel to for yankwel
me say na ye 14
kokoduru sen
na ye 14
na kokoduru sen
me say na ye 14
na kokoduru na meka
na ye 14
kokoduru 17
and no 14
MPP free about
that is the record
me kire say ba bia man kokoduru 17 no
se me
ya se man ko twam wo ho a record so man ko ye man ko
Thank you.
The record.
To focus.
Thank you. So what tie na sopam. Eso. Petro. Also ubisa na sembi se eye mama na ye bibi ana ye lock. Uso kan sa asem se President Mahama na aye bibia na.
This say is John Mahama doing the magic or luck?
Or luck.
Yes.
Thank you. Hono na America.
No me dey say luck him. Amo me luck wa
America so.
Metio.
No ka amo me luck o sa tie. Me ti me ka kire say e ya hihye papa. Any subanya.
And ben.
To for.
Kazo. Petro. MPP. Penso. Petro per bar. Ya ye tono amadwa so. And ye did determine price. And a dollar. And ye did determine petrol price. Meboa. Because MPP penny a top petrol $120 per bar. Say friend bar you said
Akuva the pencil.
Yes. A coin 120 per bar. Ya sanity
Metio.
Per the katre mane sunti no. Enu ni ti a wo mo ane se ankore baako. Petrol ankore crude ankore baako e wo dwaman so. Abrochire ni ye to no $120. Ena me no tie. The last time I'm checking here, na en 59. Eti say ye ko dwadie mu a. Oto ade $120. Na say a so tiba system pa $60. Now was also the me taxpayers money. What the me taxpayers money? Ato gold akoton. Now what the $10 billion. $10 billion so. What the abese dollar na say? Say dollar no enko from. Ah? Now no eden why abuami look. And now me note here. And then we interview Jerome no. Once I can say Ajama so yate kokoso. Enti nya ye tie bibre mu ha no. Enya ye na determine bibi te say cocoa, bibi te say petrol, bibi te say gold, bibi te say coffee. Eni ne manema. Enya ye na determine price. Enya ye na ye magic. Ye hihye bi. Enya ye abanu na timi ye hihye bi. Ema petrol ko fom. Anema gold bo ekosoro. Ah? Etina me no ti hai. Se wo kwa dwa man so a petrol ya te so. E wo dwa man so. Ena me no ti hai kura no. Petrol 1 liter bia e beto bia no. Aban the tax 1 cedi ato so. Aban the tax 1 cedi. What the ato so. Ena dwa man so akofom. Ena two what the me say ka $10 billion. Ya kebet mi aye niema bebre because ya ko IMF e ko je 3 billion. Enu kra ni anya ne full obo tua ni tot. Yeah, I think say second, third and fourth tranche ni nyina no NDC na aba beje. So say ne eti kaso IPP ya wa bam. Mahmoud Baumia ye flag bearer former vice president nansa oya campaign no o kan say original platform so aye campaign and omo yi na o man no information say ya to patrum and also wow ya to patrum obi aka be 4-5 days near election and then ya to patrum because patron no me no ti hay kura and na me no ti hay enya buy na determine petrol price enya aban bia wo Ghana ha because ye system a ye yifri aban sem etinya aban na determine petrol price me no me no ti hay because anka enya de ya obi o wa aban na okọ election o pese sign retain no na aka be se week ama na call election ya to petrol no because forces ni free so ho anko to petrol na boarding no aba beton ne fo you see enti no enya magic bi na oka enya magic bi ana president mama aye enya bibi a waye enti na petrol akofom adwama so yate so ena kura no se taxa ye dia to so 1 cedi per liter no ye yi free so a aka petrol be kofom more because I didn't know the fool.
Trabai na ya dia.
Adenti na aba o se abana ya de
ebi sense ntia be na ya
na aban na ma yete so wo adwaman so ana aban no wo baby e koto ye crude no aban na me yete so ho ono mo di nkita ho enet eye world market price yete so baby a ena me no to we koko brand this epra amamu ma ba no na omo de koko eye campaign omo de koko ye politics omo ba on beto no 6005 ya MPP sabre no omo MPP eti se MPP wia omo wia kuafo ena ya tisui ene enra me no obi hia o se masa ebeko akoduru babi aban ye hwe ya enye yie this otikoko bo so ena me no te ko divu afo omo se I think omo atiso ana so omo betiso omo announce ko divu a se babi akoko no adu no e so omo tiso enti no we no ultimate determine we abanya se se atikoko so wadwaman so o se na ho kire no koko kura ye to ye ntua koko ye to ye because say off takers no say any loan biem to koko eti off takers na efira buru kira ba no omu gina ho omu de omu sika ba eti wo se me pe koko ebia sei eti montomla na LBC no akọ bank akọje besia na omu de ato o de koduru porter off takers no ho na omu tuaka na omu agi omu koko what else eti se sia ye te so no wo se sia koko ska ebi mawu
Anapɛ manager am kasa so bi obekasa bi oboa
jalom twatro anya me no anya wu station ha no I think your sister station
and mami manager am di nkomo o se obi obekasa
ono so boa propaganda no ye
o se yama LBC ni sika
baby okay so me no me na
hold on
okay
me nyame ye ne se me ko ma bisa nti wo kasa
obisa jerom
yes
ba unko bisa nkurasefo
hwan mo
unko nzonzua unko yire kurum unko abrebra nko bisa se mu amosom aton mu koko ayentu aye no se si ajalom se skaba na mu yetu amka
yes this is what he said this morning
and me say wonu wakokura watie jelo
how do I move from here
are you a journalist
how do I move from
you are a journalist so far say watie jelo ma don asem there because ebi obekono na ye jelo na no accept against kuyani na wato ni koko no
he saying say LBCs no
so wonu sika eti wonu gini die ni di
to photobo
na kuyani na enye topic na ntu de ma
no don't worry I a matter of concern
and I'm say o chichalom sama obeka na no pay di na wa je kuyani na wa ya to ni koko 2 months ye ntu ya ne ka no
kuyani no sun ye ena ma me de ko bisa asem
ena me chese de jalom e ka no aya propaganda
ena wo kana me just say
true
fine that is you
it's not true
good
koko no egu o ma mami bi me come station ena sa topic iba ye me kat ye wi ya phone in oso ofra yire krom njoju yire krom ha ya wosi wa toni koko 2 months ne ba eko secondary school wosi o ye fashion designing no mo si onto sewu machine makola no ayire krom ha ya metu ya fameka na maka ho ne yakọ mami no e friend no ka o si 2 months ne ba no so ya bia school oko eno ko PC o se PC o de mami be se 3000 na me fa ko to afidie sewu machine mami ba o si ebi ni ho no di mami no mami ne ka che sa na tie dia ene mi koko no yibi mami na me nkoton na me minim ba bia ebi ho de me ko mbe mami ska o si obie depo no ma ne share ne ma no koko ba kokora na ho o si koko no ya be fa ni nyina de ko depo mama se ne ba na suan no ko fa nkrofo ebe kasa kire na akora na ko school mo sister station no yo so ha ya o so dia jalom ka no
nyina men ka se wo bo wa
dia jalom ka no ayen tro
but enne
mama no just last week
just na yen tria what to koko bo so mi no obi say oh every enne so be case o mu ni ska wo
problem wo
wan ka se ska wo
nkonye
na wo say ya ken na wo ka
I didn't know what cancer
mention ono jalom na nkasa sisi ya off takers ni kire say abrofo no de wo musika efra bruchire ba ya koje syndicated loan biem nti wo de wo musika ne ba na wo ma be make order wo ya ebia me de 100 $1 million naba we am the say naba eti no na LBCs no
asema wo kan
this will be the biaba we
na se akoko no say de ye to ne Ghana ha no ye to ne Ghana ha sisi ya no se o ma aba on beto koko na kono se ye de sabo no eto a o mu timi fa konkoton
do you know do you know one thing
unless you tell me
thank you I will plead of you say edru babia ubenya bre then you listen to somebody else
say me ti opa
meba what's the name I say because asema wo kai me Harry Ado this our story in the on the platform you are on it I am on it with you hold on let me land when you guys spoke that day you were at Faith FM I have no problem mentioning the name.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I never fit.
I don't know. I'm sure whatever that you did afterwards. Mamena ya work on Harry HI. It's on the page that
it's not true.
Hold on. It's
what you're saying is not true.
Me say Mamena voice now work on wasemino. It's on a page for which I am on that page with you. Nti Mamena sema work on I know. Menka se mamena sama wokan woboa I know mamena sama wokan the caller wokan asem the caller called onto the program and na me anopay mabisa even omo cocoa bottle so omo cocoa bottle amena buso and so bia yira fine we spoke on that yeka LBC's nasem wo musika or say LBC bi be kase oniska that LBC is lying into this is what he said this morning. Mamena sema woka no about 3-4 days ago. Until you can't just sit here and be beating your chest saying say oboa omuniska. No, you can't say that. Because you haven't gone to where you were the previous days. Say dia okoton ukoko wan kwan koton. There has been an improvement. In the days for our kan ho. Into be in between those days, what has happened or transpired? So that's it. If you say woman niska they can't do anything, you are also right.
Yes.
Mitio.
Afe menka owi
kasa.
Kaesu. Uye Ghana ni, me ye Ghana ni.
Yes sir.
Ye nim system na ewo omani mu no. Nya jorom kwa nim system no. Because first no, ni e syndicated loan. And you to cocoa. Since I see NG loan BM and fan to cocoa. And as see I make no say, or manchine muno, actually send crofo, and you see kaba. It's ye Tony at Chico Nico do porter. Nani pano, na what yaka, no the call. It is a see I'm so
now let me ask a question. Are you saying say to for to bo aduma na yayo ye din ko be discover wona jero ho na be
meboafu
ye discover se pa wona jero ho
me say na me bisa na say LBCs no pe ni awo kasa wo se Jerome say ye nkonko ji sika ba bia say
ya de anya Jerome na eka ye Ghana ye start 1 PP tag ye nji syndicated loan start MPP tag
in this case
but near to cocoa triaka it is a see me say
MPP time na yanji syndicated loan
MPP na just syndicated loan na the first time
yeah na yanji syndicated
yes
I agree yanji syndicated loan but near to cocoa
yes
na ye to cocoa no kwan ben so
eno na me kire omu
na so be bisa question
na me kire oba me say
yes sir
abrofo no adisika ne ba but omo de ye order me ba sie e cocoa board
good
eti no mami kire omu ye eti no oba na sa ye friend say LBCs no omo akoye guarantee e wo banks no the commercial banks no omo aye guarantee omo akoye guarantee no omo ajisika abeto cocoa no eti o jisika abeto cocoa no na otwe ekodru porter na cocoa board nso na cocoa board
skaba ha na beto
aton ama
sa kan ba ha na beti
ya
dis keto ko ba me na wo ha na beti
so wo mo de kwa
so bia me kan
wo de bo mpacho wo mo de kwa
ka so me ka say sane ma no ya jai ba em say ya e san sole ababi
no you are not the only person who knows everything on this earth. Listen to somebody. Listen to somebody.
Ebi ade o kanye nokure. Ebi am so do me kanye nokure.
I'm telling you about somebody. I don't know. He is in the industry. The PRO who speaks for the country.
That's propaganda.
Menkas or propaganda. You are saying
first class propaganda.
Let me also land. Let me also land. We will say one more time. One more the corner cocoa board and so ato. No cocoa board. No one wants atom at the amount of tickets. Is that right?
Yes.
Good. And Jerome say even if I'm to go by now, that's what more to free LBC no more toma off tickets now. Jerome is saying say off take LBC bia obeka say cocoa board edin kana ni cocoa yentua ni ono. It's a liar.
And I'm so make
so you are saying say off take nya LBC no air can na wo gidi it ka mbabe no me na tikoko krom ha say we know kwanya is a
see from an okobisa le
wo mo de akuafo
e na me nkobisa no I know it sir what me nkobisa I know
me no to for ye tikrom ha yi aha na ye ti
amara for me say me de pempempen ka ye na achenka bia
pieces and LBCs ade akuafo fa so
enya no kre
oi to for
enya no kre peace ubeka obeka so miska no acha 1 week 2 weeks ubeka do sika be ma enya no kre na wonu ma se ba kunti am challenges asem we eno so abetom se ukwa man so a koko no yate so
yes
eti off tickets na buy no
koko price see area so 5100
off tickets na buy no
yes sir
omo so no ebeto the price ayato na omo de ko mbebo kanti ukọ porter koko ni sisi ho enko mesi ade yeni ma na yesu etie ridi obeko wo mo ankasa koko board tema no obeko omo depots no koko ni gu ho off the canaba on top koko boka so this is what is going on
okay
etino se Jerome Bekasa no de sunu se LBCB atobi koko no ntia o mani pa no na kwa akoye trouble whereby anya no kura o twa draw atire Ghana fo eno na me chire mu no
that is you
eno na me chire me yes
problem ni
enti me ka che o so ka se o mama obiska anya no kura because ena me ka se companies na to koko no anya koko board na mo muska se si am no ti hey wo mo no e di guarantee eco bank na se koko board no akọ guarantee amomo no magisika e wo banks no na guarantees LBC no akọje no
okay
aya over e na koko no so nko e mo mu nya sika
enti me ba to for meba
you see we are on oil but ya be
we are one hour coffee
BECHEM it was example
listen ya wa hai that ya de no ya de ni koko enu nti na wo ka koko asa
na wo say de ni koko na akofa oil asem so betu o de oil so be your topic can also me discuss here diem.
What are you talking about?
Also me discuss here diem na akofa oil
na de kwa example
wo na akofa asa asem
e say de ya BECHEM
won so say ka oil asem te ka
akofa koko
o say example aye o kasa won kura bata bebre a wo de ya example enti no de make me say sasitu se wo ya ye kom de na me de ya example ni say enema bi ho ye ni so control ena ma me di koko e be example at the moment cocoa price enti oil price no yes oil price no ya tiso
yes
ya tiso na yimpo ya the tax atoso ya etia ye sisi ya me mu no ena omo de ye sika $10 billion eso edi akose dollar ni mu ya ye ntimi fanya bibia ma me tufo me nya ho mfaso me tufo $10 billion na ye me sika taxpayers money ya me ka
so in all no what you are saying is the president or the government is not doing any magic.
It's not doing any magic.
Thank you. 0536304072 ano pay mamen Kyle also with me Edward Nche abeboy ewa ase din komo ayedi mamen ti kakra so wo admire na pay. Hello, good morning. Me pa jo din wasem.
Ampacho Osman ni odudu na frame my papa abakra mokurum ni.
Osman mamen ti.
Ai me wura tufo. We budo za ampa. O siese kwana na o mo se ma na faso bi. Ti wura tufo yi. Na mo ba ye fi woche. Ni petrol ka mutimi te so. Ko ba de bi na untuma na. Na ba papa ba wo ti petrol so a. O wona ba so. O ko fa kokko asem na ba. Ko no e wo ko afa ka muti so. Ko mo fo bi anka o ba e ntie mi mutimi tu kokko. Ba papa ba ni fresh wo ti metu kokko mama kokko kuafo a. O sa gina ona we de say NDC ayese. Aba papa na aba no.
That's Osman, thank you. 0536304072 eno ana yedi edin komona na pe. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Ajampa jo udin wasem why? Mpacho online eni mu ame nti nka betumi afre na wasan abaso bi ma ye be yini ya betumi edin komo 0536304072 Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Mpacho me kama wasam na kakra. Na papa opanyina o kasa no officer one ya some papa bi an kan kan fast na one no na mfutoria o tunya asoma wa kan na ma kina strong one asoma wa kan na no club ba futo ni ana na ma before ana na mo ha jonta asoma wa kan na ba fiti process na mo yaro tijare ya chumo tijare we ya kula bia tibabia kwa ni asoma mo kan na ayan so mun sun tonto na ja gana ya ni bia nta peso Sasa mba no mutumi kan sama na nya no kwana ye bali se de hu mutu. Uni ya menye eduma.
Ozo de nyamentra. 0536304072 Mamintie kakra also what my nana pay. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Ajampa cho udin wasem.
O ka sister Kofi.
All right, Mr. Kofi Mamintie. Hello, Mr. Kofi. Oh, Dabi. Mr. Kofi Zahomano enim waye wa hasi. Mamen for na minti ono so e 0536304072 0322296342. Good morning.
Good morning, Kayasu.
Yes, I'm Pacho Udin wasem waye.
I'm Pacho papa tagi sefi ekwefu.
Pacho maminti o.
You Kayasu you better wasi ene adwuma pa wo ye. Waya ade nyame onka wo. Mama bibia wo bibia enko anim. Ne Kayasu Ghana wo. Ya MPP for ya bere wo mu. Ene santo ayi politics ya dey tron ya na kemu hawo ene Ghana be bie ni wa kane ni be bie ni wa TV ni be bie ni wo nkutafu enti se wo kan se business se wo yo so me mo tege kurufa se wo kan tron ka ma me wo me tron fa ade ya wo ye no bia tron na wuka ye som MPP ni take gu se akampo eja omudo omu yanto ye fense 31 January e wona obehu de beba e wona obehu wo de nkiti bi peche wo ma Mama do my do man so that. What you no I penny no woman to be cantro. Send me movie. No that and answer me day. To Nagana for the first Mahamachi.
Hello, good morning. Morning. Me bacho Kasagruma.
Yo, where the car for the robot. Matia niya andi sini to ye jumanda anopari na matia yonga confident na DC papa niya Kayaso se yan Ghana no ye andi si ye pese ye Ghana ye but anti pese omu ye denya omu pese ye Ghana ye aden na mu ye sa mu de Antity for no, she said, near my buffer, you percent near my buffer, Nagana Yahotono. The same antity for who, who bought Andy. But the woman and Ghana for you. Mamma Martin said, Andy for home. Ghana for you at home. na di omo ye no wo man ka say pu wo me akwa dem am na ka mo so
me da say hello good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Yes.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Majo soja.
Pacho Beja Podi.
Beja Poka sir.
Kayaso na podium da sina amachia Abuja 4 before the chair of Papa. The chair na mamu gomia baby obi a on the Democrat Church January. Inia the obi ka say MPP go. Ha. Orinje oka. 2016 NDC engu. But we jam na so dia MPP so betima sorry. Nti you be say MPP engu nti we wi. Na je be kan say ye fa kokko mu asem a bra fom Kayaso bra fom. Be busa. Area han man sawa area. Amafo a ye di won ka be busu mi ai saka iska no. Jero say saka iska. Busu mi ni saka iska. Ye da ka say class ni dukula tu efri han mo apa area tana. Cause ye han dodo. Abe kokko no so yentwa ne kan so ko depu. Nti ye ka mun ka se ba kokko ni saka iska o. Nya heda propaganda. Ya bi e kwa fo propaganda o. Ya ho tire yan kasa. Ya ho tire je mu ka se ma ko man tinta fa ma yai. Ko man tinta tuma ko ba biya. O kasa bebre e wo opposition. Mo ba ya wa timi anye. Ko so so ya ko ton so a ine saka iska. Ya ka iska ne saka. LBTK wa ya kan wa se mu. O kasa bebre wo opposition. O ba ya bo ya ko fo sei. Wonche efeze ko kudo to abraka no tenenka wonche sudo wonche tenenka obu nyina yo ya tenti wo wi on tra o Ghana for be show say
yes that's thank you. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Yes sir. Mami too.
Now they for free. One super could have come down your whole toy. Fire for cut you out by half a day. I was so to which you after for coming, they deal with ya. That's sorry, July. We can work a NBC. Pray, let me tell you, I was school. Oh, I always them. Now, NBC, the I campaign. I want to see the money in question. On my me da se me de besia wa me mfa frafo bia me bre no ekododo ma me mfa aseda no pay emfa ma adum loto for so maba mo be piem wo hana on the 20th of January 2026 ebona pa no nkron a omo ene sub agency na ebehia nti so sub agent na so ye interested say odin adum loto for be ye adwuma dia ene ebenada a eda ye nimu a ebai ubetumi ene omo ahia ewo Opengo fitting shop abrosan no mu a from 0244365730 ana 0243483633 nchiremu bia na omo de be mo telecel omo se telecel cash aba so uyo bia wani je ho se osika o de be ade ma na yie ade ama ode a ene o so use telecel cash. Your money deserves the safest home. Na telecel cash there, I tell you, we are protected every step of the way. No risk, no worries, no long stories, just peace of mind. Into dial *110# and now be download a telecel play app no. Afi now that your transactions in na so secure. Telecel cash there. Or see the safer choice. Send the keke. Ya enjoy free. Sarah so and Dr. Kankam Ede Kankam bitters, Kankam tire stop mixture, Kankam cool capsules, Kankam ointment Ede Bejaso. Enroy a year, Bia to a drubia kwa binyebi.
Fred Dr. Kankama was 0246710712 and 0274506976. Apex Remedial School, a honum and a yakwa remedials I would win now. In Zorena Okotre and Wentra, say May June 2026 academic year Konya at the Hodmount and Intibra. The Emfa Infantity in Titu ye na once a quality tuition is assured nedia. And yet quality results, better one pa and out of fee. Excellent results and kasa. Your qualified teachers omuya science experienced. Your general arts, business, general science, home economics and afi agric. Your classes in your weekdays and weekends. Your accommodation emma umfechichi beche ebenina. So you also and your fraying 0242130768 and 0249929839. Afi memfa wo enko Ken Roses Hotel. Aha, Black Office Hotel na na meka no. Ken Roses Hotel. Wonya kuduru honoma musampa. Wonya bia edi se fatana woda. E honom na meka mfo edema ene anapay. Ken Roses Hotel. Your accommodation, your spacious car park, your restaurant, your bar. Events ahodo nyina so no events catering. Occasional packages like food basket and birthday packages nyina. Yes also air penkrofo afọ omodwuma enti so yo bia wonim aduane e kitchen dia ye to nsafro se bra enti ye pe chefs ye pe cooks ye pe waiters and waitresses. Ye was a who also wodi wani akire mu se wusane akọ electricity wona hot man ye wo obetumi akọ obenya adwuma ye 0246117969 and 0270034972 inwakọ nyina boy na nana pay ye de dwumadi ye de ebrel. Yes sorry mamenko FK24 over now the jay me record we less than 1 minute.
Yo guys, you see I mean MC we e de radiase na de make twa to answer Ghana for Monsole na sa LGBT plus na NDC for the canning way be epese o mo di introduce no ye besere mu ehemfo Ghana man asofo mu nyina Monsole nyina because emwa o man no me chia Ben understanding sport and bar or MC Utiema no pay me chia no
okay
na mama no money yo
all right Ben eya chia mama e mama why. Yeah, Popo.
Yeah, Munia Kaso.
Yeah, sorry.
Me sole no. Me catch Ghana for. Say nsemo mo kano, sebe yentin wo mo fidi so. Say NDC for the bay akọ parliament say be man na yenyintum oba na yenyintum. Mistake bi na ba bukum. The Ghana MPP 4 person mo je Ghana for attention na nkomo party na san be ya akono. No so Ghana for so who say enya adwuma because omo 31st of this man MPP omu nya obi mfa ne ma enti obi ka separate na gu no because car hweas ne nya ka hwe driver because MPP omu den baba and this 2016 no ayelusu ye no 7 ye onipa wo ho tinani da so e wo ho ma ye
na MPP for omu
to aba ha no omu den ba
na mama we nipa tene ba obi
mpacho I am asking a question. Ma memfa NC ewa ha say asida eya wodia FK24 e buy for the MPP Popoyopo e buy for the NDC frame kwesi for kodom ka ya so medu ebesi ewa ha say Mr. Kawondes ebeto so with
me boss yeshia ha ya na emu ordinance yeshia ha che ba bia wo bia no me chia no atamafo the general secretary for the MPP.
Okay.
Me ten kan chepa na menchia Sehubekwai senior high school teaching and teaching staff ni na Miss Winis Asante Manso. Onso no san yo ba hema ewo Sehufa Kabra. Ona ya assistant headmaster administration.
Okay.
Na menchia wo na menchia Ghana for ina afi na ma menchia me a metwetwo mucho me yogurt Messi twenobo akodua. Oya adwuma on so chief. Me ba penin so eco school dey say mo
Popoyo me do be see wa me da wo nyina say Prince Christian Ponsa Soja na boss me cha wo so head as na head matter say what